specifically urgent for today, my lord. Personal appearance of the parties 498 and 506, husband and wife. Yes. Memo, my lord. Yes. The parties have come. Yes.
Keep it at 2 o'clock. We'll do
My
it.
lord.
I beg pardon to make a mention, my lord. This is a writ petition. It has been specifically assigned to this honorable bench, my lord.
Writ petition.
Yes, my lord. It was last heard on 31st of October, my lord. Thereafter, it has not been listed. Earlier, it was before Honorable Justice B.P. Satpathy. As he was concerned, therefore, order was passed to list before any other bench. I have enclosed all the orders, my lord.
You have indicated that the matter has to go to my court.
I have not indicated. I am the intervener petitioner, my lord.
It's written here.
No, I have not. I have enclosed the order sheets.
Indicate whether okay.
I have enclosed the order sheets, my lord.
At any point in time, have I heard it?
On 31st October, my lord.
Okay, that is the reason. What is the urgency?
Urgency is that, my lord, the order has been stated wherein the Department of the Higher Education has directed to supply the seniority list of eligible teachers for the appointment of principal cum secretary of the institution, my lord. Because there is stay order and the allegation against.
Who are you?
I am the next in line to be principal.
No, who are you? Are you a
I am an intervener petitioner, my lord.
Intervener is mentioning where are the petitioner and respondent?
Petitioner,
you are an intervener, your application is allowed.
No, my
You are
lord.
not even a party to the proceeding now.
My lord, what has happened? There is a stay order.
Say, but
I'm aggrieved, my lord, and it has not been listed. My lord has directed to list.
No, if you interview a person who is not a party to a proceeding and an order is hurting, and what do you can challenge that order?
My lord,
by seeking permission. Anyway, let's see. Whenever
because it has been specifically directed to list it after 2 weeks.
In any case, it has to come.
It has to come.
Sometime. Okay. We will list it. Don't worry.
Oh, bless.
Okay. Item 31, my lord. Kindly take it next week, my lord, in the
31 urgent.
Pardon to make a mention, my lord.
Kindly
we'll give the date. Belgium matrimonial. 1 minute. One after another.
Pardon to make a mention.
Belgium. From senior to junior.
Belgium matrimonial in the NI case notice.
Belgium, you give. No problem. Belgium. We will list it.
Pardon to mention, my lord. Item number 53.
Senior is there. Right. When the senior is there, you have to give way to them.
DB case of 2017, till late it is not concluded. So for early disposal of the case, I have filed one.
Take it and see when we can adjust. Okay.
Item number 53, my lord. Read for next week.
After notice?
I am for informant, my lord.
No, it is after notice matter or press
After
matter?
notice, I am appear for informant, my lord.
Where is the other?
Other side, I will inform, my lord.
Note down.
Yes, ma'am.
Pardon to make a mention, my lord, petitioners challenge the cognizance order. Lordship already passed an order on the same issue, lordship. It can be disposed of that ground, lordship.
Pass the order.
On the lordship, here the income tax department initiated proceeding.
Give it that too. With prosecution, you have paid the interest.
I've said the interest along everything also.
Pardon to make a mention, my lord. Item 19 and 41. In this case, I am appearing on behalf of Miss Naidu. Miss Pratisha Naidu. She is ill today.
Okay,
So adjournment.
19 and?
Item 19 and 41.
Pardon to make a mention, my lord. My lord, CLMC number 4220 of 2023. In the said case, my lord, your lordship had directed to file a joint affidavit where the parties involved came for a compromise. And the previous occasion, that is yesterday, it was held that the said CLMC, that opposite parties are concerned, it was dismissed for default and restoration was filed.
Whether you file a fresh one?
Yes, my lord. We have filed a fresh one yesterday.
Okay. Yesterday, the matter. I asked him to file a fresh one.
Yes,
the
ma'am.
MA filed in 2016. That matter?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. List it. The matter is already complete.
And another,
One
my
matter
lord.
was there and another was dismissed in default.
Yes, my lord.
Matter. You file an MA to restore that.
Yes, my lord.
Since that 2016 matter, it doesn't come under this assignment. So therefore, you file a first one.
Yes, my lord.
Is it the same case?
Yes, my lord.
Okay.
And another, my lord, CLMC 443 of 2024 is a fresh admission, my lord. The party is involved.
Why can't you come tomorrow to mention that?
Yes, my lord.
One day, everything you want to do.
Pardon, my lord.
One day, one relief only. Okay.
My lord, Belgium matter.
Pardon to make a mention, my lord.
Yes.
LMC number 2959. Madam, online memo I have already given, madam.
Sorry, what do you want?
My lord, CRLMC number 2959 of 2023, madam.
Okay, what do you want?
Listed the matter, madam.
What is this matter is about?
Matter is about the challenging the illegal detention, madam.
Illegal detention.
Right.
We will see who is get released. Let's take it up.
My
Yes.
lord, online, I have already supplied the online memo.
Okay, we'll see. What? Yes, any mentioning? No mentioning. Yes,
May I please?
yes.
Item number one, it is a Belgium matter. The NBW was issued on the 29th September 2023.
Bail. When you got the bail?
Bail, my lord,
What are you researching on this? Whether you are on bail or not? If you-
16/8 August 2013.
16 August 2013, NBW 29/9/2023 or 500. Yes.
Obliged.
Appear 15th. Huh?
May it please your lordship.
Yes.
May it please your lordship. Item number 2, my lord. The
Yes.
present petitioner released on bail on 5th July 2012.
Write down.
The NBW passed on 17th August 2023.
Oh, 500. First time you came in a simple matter. Otherwise, every time you come with all complication. 167 2 and all. So 500 cost.
Belgium matter on behalf of Santosh Kumar Lenka.
You tell
Yep.
your problem.
At the time of commitment, he was on bail on order dated 23/7/2003.
Bail when you got it?
23/7/2003.
20
23/7/2003.
NBW
On 4/1/2023.
500.
Obliged.
May I please your lordship.
Yes.
My lord, the petitioner released on bail on 22nd December 2020
Hmm.
and NBW was issued on 24/11/2020.
How much cost you tell me?
My lord, due to the
Whatever, how much cost? Because you are appearing. You are supposed to tell me the
as Mr.
1,000. Because you are coming. Unnecessary, you are inviting more problems. You should have sent a junior.
The junior Portnoy.
Okay, we'll make it 500 because.
File record transfer here जानी पड़ेगी.
But you must send your junior
Well,
in this kind of case. Yes.
May it please your number.
Yes.
I am the petitioner, my lord. This case is that challenging the annexure 4.
NBW again you.
But it is not a Belgium. What happened in this case?
Hmm.
There is a FIR and counter FIR. The informant also SC, he has given a FIR against the persons, and the other side also, they are claiming to be SC and file a FIR against us. I am the Sarpanch, another is the Samit Sabya. There is a dispute for the water connection or whatever may be this issue. Then there is some word of exchange.
If he is complaining is JC, then you can't file another.
My lord, what happened in this speculation is this. In our FIR was registered by the police, but prior to that, they asked them to FIR is filed against you. Is the ruling party, so another FIR is counter FIR is filed. It was also registered as a 23, our FIR is 22. 23 at their FIR 22. But what they have done, in the time of filing charge sheet, they have deleted the name of our informant who is SC. So in our case, SC is gone and their case SC will continue. By this process, and we are using English. So I against that order of the annexure for the charge.
I'll cause the NBW.
Yes, let's see. Yes.
What?
But one prayer because he SC better it will also issue notice when make a stay. Then next state let's pass a order. It is better.
Issue notice to the opposite party number 2. Written within 2 weeks. Mr. Ragada appears for the state and waives the notice. In the IA. In the meantime, the what is this? The order dated 27/9/2023 passed by Lieutenant Special Judge from Station Judge Gajapati in GR case 27 of 2023 is stay. Operation of order dated form to stay.
Till the next statement.
Till next database.
Obliged.
You just verify, how can you drop the complainant, you change the complainant so that ACST you can invoke.
Both the cases, it's there,
Ah.
there, where I registered the case.
Just take it up.
Yes, yes. Obliged.
If necessary, we'll cost both.
Yes. Obliged.
That's the best way, the political rivalry. Better that you cost both the things you finish. Yes.
Belgium matter 17/11/2023, when the case was posted for,
Yes,
The conduct-
bail, when you got the bail.
in fact, case of the 2013.
But you were on bail.
Yes, I was on throughout on bail.
Can you give the date of when you
In
got bail?
fact,
Petitioner was in bail, huh?
yes, petitioner were on bail. Petitioners are four in number.
4 of you.
Yes, my lord.
Okay, then you pay how much?
Let's say 1,000.
1,000.
My lord, the prayer for allowed that in, I have no objection, my lord. In fact, my lord, the order dated 17/11/2023, NMW issued against 3 persons, my lord. Here, my lord, the 4 persons filed the petition, my lord. My lord, Raghunath Gahir,
Why have you? included-
Bedagai,
Yes, sir.
Sahu Gahir. 3 persons, NMW issued against 3 persons.
I am permitted to delete the name of one. I have seen it. I'm sorry.
Mr. Ragada points out that by impugn order dated 17/11/2023, NBW has been issued against the 3 accused persons.
Yes, my lord.
Whereas the petitioner, whereas there are 4 petitioners in the present petition. In the present, whereas the present petition is filed by the 4 petitioners.
Yes.
Therefore, the Mr. So-and-so appear for the petitioner.
I permit delete name of one.
Seeks permission to delete the name of delete the name of
Persons against whose no NBW has been issued.
बताना तो
NBW
भी-
my lord,
that-
out separate case filed. 2015 th another NBW out.
No, who is that gentleman? Who
But
Yes.
Gedi Gahir.
Huh?
Gahir.
Raghunath Gahir, all are Gahir.
Gadi Gahir.
Gadi.
Yes.
Seek to drop the petitioner number 3 from the array of parties. It is permitted. Same amount of time. To keep the and keep appropriate.
NBW against 2015 also said I would challenge very
500 each.
500.
500 each. Okay.
I permitted to delete. Correct.
You delete now.
Yes.
Given it. Let him carry out the corrections in the court. Constant, right? Okay. Number 3 काट दियो तू. हाँ. Yes.
My plea, my lord. Belgium matter, my lord, the petitioner was on bail on 31/8/2016 and NBW was issued 6/9/2022, my lord.
22.
My lord,
500.
obliged.
Yes.
Bail allowed by the Honorable High Court on 24/3/23, my lord.
Hmm.
Subsequently, I have filed a petition for modification of the order. After releasing on bail, I have filed a petition for modification of the order. That
When
I,
you got the final bail, you tell me.
my lord,
When you got the final bail.
final bail on 24/3, my lord,
24 दिन
2023.
2023. Okay. And NBW?
18/5/23.
18/5/23. Okay. 500.
I am staying outside so that I am filed modification and that was also allowed now.
That is correct. No problem.
May I please, Lordship? My lord, the matter is Belgium matter. The petitioner earlier released on bail on date 14th October 2022.
And when the NBW?
10th April 2023.
500.
Obliged.
May I please, your lordship? My lord, Belgium matter, NBW issued order number 4/23/9/2022. My lord, earlier bail as 28/1/2020. Order number 2.
And NBW on 23/9/2020. 500.
Yes, madam.
May please, your lord.
Yes.
The anticipatory bail was granted on 14/12/2017, my lord. All the accused persons surrendered, but this petitioner could not surrender due to health reasons, my lord. He's a heart patient. Thereafter, NBW was issued on 27th.
When what?
14/12/2017 anticipatory bail was granted.
14/12/2017. ABPL number 17728 of
My lord.
2016 was allowed in favor of as many as 9 accused persons. However, due to the health reasons, the present petitioner could not appear in this court, leading to issuance of NBW against him on 27/7/2017.
My lord.
17. 17. Full stop. Thereafter you write the same this. And then how much you will pay?
500.
2017.
500. Sir.
2017.
Poor person, my lord, heart patient.
Okay, 500.
Oh, bless you.
May please your lordship, Belgium matter. The present petitioner was released on bail on 23/9/22. NBW was issued against the present petitioner on 13/9/23.
Okay, 500.
Obliged.
My lordship, petitioner was earlier on bail on 7th November 2019 and NBW was issued 7th February 2024.
500. Yes.
Item 14.
14 pass over.
Item 15.
Yes.
May I please?
Yes.
Justice released on bail on 3/9/2016 and NBW has been issued on 9/8/2023.
500. Yes.
Item 16.
You are noting down this. Yes. Be careful. Listen to yes. 16 pass over.
Item 17.
Pass over.
18.
Pass over.
Item 19.
What is coming? 19?
No.
Okay. Pass over.
Item 20.
May I please your lordship? Here, my lord, the petitioner is a lady headmistress. While, my lord, during her tenure, my lord, while during lunch hour, the classroom of wall of the classroom of scholars, your lordship has asked me whether you have intimated these things to your authorities or not.
Yes.
I filed certain document that is a flag B.
Have you given to him?
Yes, solve कर दीजिए.
Yes. When have you given him?
No,
Recently,
no, no.
your office memo, submission of inquiry report of Parimanand Mahanti, Inspector of Schools. You have given this letter.
Yes, my lord.
What is your name?
My lord, she is Sarojini Devi.
Sarojini Devi, so and so, yes, so and so joined in the school on Saturday.
This is the disciplinary committee.
Performing your duty properly. Happened. No, this is after the incident.
After that, my lord, I have intimated to the.
When you have given?
My lord, the incident took place on 9/7/2012.
9/7/2012.
9/7/2012.
Right.
Whereas I have intimated this, my lord, on 27/4/11.
1 minute. 20.
7/4/11.
7/4/11. Yes.
Then 2010/11.
2010/11. Yes.
Then, my lord, 2010/11. All three letters are there, my lord. 2010/11.
2010/11. You have already said.
The twice, my lord, given.
20.
To different authorities.
Okay. You have. And what are the offences now?
My lord, 304A.
What is the stage of the trial?
My lord, charge framed, my lord.
Hearing posted to 23/9/2023. Might have been.
No,
trial is going on.
By giving the CRLMC number, it was postponed.
But if she has already told the authority, but read one letter. Let us.
My lord, nahi dekhi. 27/4, my lord. अधिवेशन नंबर 1 आद्य तारीख 27/4/2011 गुरुवार दिन दिवा.
Which page you are reading, sir?
सेकेंड पेज माय लॉर्ड
हाँ ठीक है आद्य तारीख
आद्य तारीख 27 तारीख बुधवार दिबा 8 घंटिया समय विद्यालय परिचालना कमिटीर सदस्य माने मिसी एक बैठक करा जायथिला एथिरे श्री सरोज कुमार सासमल सभापतित्व करथिले एथिरे स्कूल रो वार्षिक योजना प्रस्तुति करा जायथिला एथिरे निम्नलिखित योजना गुड़िक प्रस्ताव करागला प्रस्ताव नंबर 1 पुराना घर गुड़िकर ओरा श्रेणी कांथ भांगी जाई विपद संकुल अवस्था रही अछि तेणु नूतन घर तैयारी पई जिला प्रकल्प संयोजक को जणाया पे अनुरोध करागला प्रस्ताव नंबर 2 विद्यालय षष्ठ और सप्तम श्रेणी खोला जिवा सकाश अनुरोध करागला प्रस्ताव नंबर 3 पिलामानक निरापत्ता दृष्टि विद्यालय निकट थिबा पोखरी कड़े पाचेरी निर्माण निमंते पदक्षेप ग्रहण पई व्यवस्था प्रस्ताव नंबर 4 पिला माने खेलिया पई घोषरा ओ यस
your signature is there
यस
Sarojini
देवी
next
लेटर माय लॉर्ड
हाँ
to-
यार माटी कांथ ओरा सोन
निवेदन दिस इज द जिला प्रकल्प संयोजक
say if she has been alive to the fact and intimated the authorities that it is dilapidated and nothing is done and the accident takes place, how will you make the headmaster responsible for that?
A document, so far this document are concerned during course of investigation, even the at the time of framing of charge, nothing has been produced by the defense counsel. Number 1. Number 2, even if accepting this is more serious, more heinous than this. How the knowingly this building is completely not permissible to allow any person to live inside or to study inside or to take anything inside the school. How the authority allow these small children to go inside the house and even thereafter.
See the headmaster. What to do? Headmaster can't stop the school, close the school.
yes
Number one, entire circumstances my lord, even ଅଳନ୍ଦୁ ଏତେ ଭର୍ତ୍ତି ହେଇଛି ତା ଭିତରେ ତାକୁ ତା ଭିତରୁ ଗୋଟେ ପକ୍ଷୀ ବି ଉଡିବା ପାଇଁ ଭୟ କରିବ ଏତେ ଅଳନ୍ଦୁ ଆପଣ କେମିତି ତାକୁ ଆଲାଉ କଲେ ପିଲାମାନଙ୍କୁ?
Where from you getting this?
that the spot visit map, everything has been taken note of. ସମସ୍ତେ ଷ୍ଟେଟମେଣ୍ଟ ଦଉଛନ୍ତି କି ସବୁ even accepting the spot visit, let it aside, the statement of all the villagers, they have stated ସେ ସ୍କୁଲ ଭିତରକୁ ଯିବା ପାଇଁ ବି ଏମିତି ଏତେ ଅଳନ୍ଦୁ ଯେ ତା ଭିତରୁ ଯାଇ ହବ ନାହିଁ. Everybody has stated. ଆପଣ କେମିତି ଯଦି ଏଇ ଲେଟର ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ, then you are confirmed that this is not the suitable place to be
I'll just issue notice and you just get the
and trial might be continuing because
no trial was not commenced.
9/2023 the matter is posted for hearing means 12 case of 2012 trial is going on.
नहीं start ହେଇନି
ହେଇଛି କି
ଆପଣ next week ରେ information ନିଅନ୍ତୁ.
ଆଜ୍ଞା,
I'm just issuing notice.
ଆଜ୍ଞା.
I'm issuing notice. Issue notice to the opposite party. Notice to the opposite party. Who are the informants? The parents of the child.
my lord informant is one
Two child died. Huh?
yes
3 child
No.
died on the spot, 2 child died in the medical. Very serious, my lord. Very serious.
when the authorities are not taking any action my lord what
How many accused are there? Only teachers.
only headmistress
ତାଙ୍କ ପ୍ରେଜେନ୍ସ ରେ ଏଗୁଡ଼ା ସବୁ ହଉଛି ସେମାନେ ଆଲାଉ କେମିତି କଲେ? ବାରଣ୍ଡାରେ କାହିଁ ଖାଇବାକୁ ନ
allow ନ କଲେ ତ ଗାଁ ଲୋକ ମତେ ପିଟିବେ
ଆପଣ ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି ଯେ ଏ ସିଚୁଏସନ ଅଛି, ବିଲ୍ଡିଂ ର ଏଇଭଳିଆ କଣ୍ଡିସନ ଅଛି, ଏଟା କେବେ ବି ଡ୍ୟାମେଜ ହେଇପାରେ ଇଭିନ୍ ଦେୟାର ଆଫ୍ଟର.
Why have you left the senior officers, those who are not
Yes.
carrying out the you should have made them accused.
Yeah.
Why the only
In fact,
headmistress is
exactly, my lord. No document. Subsequently, it has
What
been
kind of
produced in
security?
2023. The case is of the year 2012. This is the new formation document.
You please bring the photocopies of the documents and all. We will examine it. And if you have not made any accused, what are the evidence now? Has come. You invoke 319
Exactly.
and call people.
Yes.
Those who are responsible. He has written 2 letters. And a committee was constituted, and in the committee
disciplinary action was dropped
and nothing was done. And it is an accident, very unfortunate.
Unfortunate, yes.
Very unfortunate.
Unfortunate. But the right of the parents
But who
those
is
are lost there.
for it? It is not the only headmaster.
Only headmaster. Yes.
Many
Yes.
other people.
Absolutely right. Absolutely
You
right.
let everybody go.
No, these are the documents provided by the defense counsel in 2013, 2023. But the case is of the year 2012. No such document has been provided during course of investigation.
Whether these are part of record or not.
Right, right.
Right down now, whatever it is.
ସେଟା ଦିଅ ମୋର photo ଉଠେଇବି.
What is opposite party? Returnable within a week, 1 week time they will. And next you write down that comes for the petitioner. I brought in records, certain document to last certain document to submit and certain document so as to substantiate his case. And he submits that the incident had taken place on 9/7/2000. The accident had taken place on 9/7/2012. In which unfortunately, when his 5 school children died. Whereas prior to that, on 27/4/2011 and on 20th October 2011, he had already apprised the fact that the condition of the wall which fell down on 9/7/2012. He all was completely fabricated and least repaired. However, the authorities have not paid any heed to repeated request.
He did for a
And eventually, on 9/7/2012, the agent is taken. The tragic Mr. Maharaj appeared for the state. It submits that the trial is at very advanced stage, and the petitioner is challenging the
proceeding.
Petitioner is seeking quashing of the entire criminal prosecution initiated against him in 2012, which is belated. Therefore, no interference is called for.
My lord, kindly have a glance to this order.
Adjournment to seek further instruction.
Trial was not commenced. Someone was.
Let him bring all these things.
My lord, someone was issued. And after giving this CRLMC number, that does.
You are also giving all the documents installmentally. Last time I asked you 2 documents you have given. Now I am asking something, a bunch of paper you are giving. This is the way you want the quashing of a petition of quashing of a criminal prosecution initiated in 2012. If you want to make out a case, you have to file everything. Not that something is cropped in while argument, you take out a paper and give it. This is the way you substantiate a case. That's a serious matter.
Yes. Stay up for.
Why have you not challenged this proceeding since 2012? You are coming after.
Cognizance was taken in the year 2018.
So why have you
now, my lord, they are coming to me, my lords.
Me too. It's not a
Yes, I understand.
They should have come in 2012.
She was sitting over the matter since long, and
the documents were there.
Yes.
The court started inquiring.
At the time of filing, even they have not supplied.
He should have given all the documents.
Yes.
The investigating officer.
Now
Nothing.
what to do?
Nothing.
You can place those things in your defense only.
So you defense, you will be acquitted. You will be acquitted.
Technically, you are in problem.
Yes, exactly. That is my submission.
If the court wants to help you also, nobody.
My lord, whether they have given it or not, or the police has declined to receive it, I will take instruction on that.
Then in the defense evidence, you can place those things. What to do?
Defense देबे निर्दोषरा खलास हेबे आपण छी
There is a miscase.
कोन हबो ए स्टेज रे किछ हबो
That's the old difficulty.
even if accepting ए स्टेज रे किछ करियो
2012 रे जो ऑफिसर को दिया इतरे से माने रिटायर
से मरि गले ता भीतर केतन मरले.
You have invited this problem for yourself.
And at the other side, the plight of the parents. It's hard.
Very, very difficult.
Not expected.
Give a date. Let us see.
Yes.
Huh? 4th. You come 4th.
My lord, there is one IE, my lord.
But I will not.
Stay up.
2012, you allowed the proceeding to go on. Today, you are coming and asking for any. If it had it been at a very threshold, I would have stayed it. Definitely, I would have stayed it. But since it is going on for such a long time, Yes.
CDSG.
Yes.
Kitse na. Sab good like.
Yes. 21.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
My lords, here I'm assailing the order of the learned court below, wherein my prayer for discharge has been rejected. My lords, before going into the merits of the impugned order,
Charge has been framed now.
no, my lords, it is, my lords, state, my lords, it is nothing has proceeded after that, my lords. My lords, I will just place the facts very briefly. What has happened in this case in 2014? A FIR was lodged in Mangalabag PS by one Umakant Naik, stating therein against some other persons, not against me, that one Sarmishtha Naik, one lady who is the friend of his wife, took her wife to Vishakhapatnam by saying, let us go to darshan of Sai Baba Ashram. But instead of taking to Sai Baba Ashram, that friend Sarmishtha Naik,
Where is Sai Baba Ashram in Visakhapatnam?
that is not there. That is the my lord's case. मतलब तांको कहले कि आमे जिबा साई बाबा आश्रम तांको स्त्री को नहीं की गले विशाखापट्टनम नहीं गले सेठी गोटे हॉस्पिटल रे एडमिट कले 7Ls हॉस्पिटल रे सेठी से शर्मिष्ठा नायक कहले कि मोर जने रिलेटिव को किडनी रो दरकार अछि माने दे आर माने कोन कोइ पर गॉड बिलीविंग थिले ए जो लेडीज तो से मानी गले जब 15 डेज तक तांको स्त्री फेरी लेनी मंगलाबाग कटक फेरी लेनी ये फोन रे पचले तम कोठी अछो से कहले कि मु तो साई बाबा आश्रम कहि के मते आनिले बट एठी मते गोटे हॉस्पिटल रे एडमिट करचंती आ मोर एमते सब कहउचंदी
किडनी काढी नहीं
ना नहीं नथले से पता नहीं नथले यांको हस्बैंड इमीडिएटली गले विशाखापट्टनम सेठी गला पर देखिले दैट हर हिज वाइफ इज ऑलरेडी एडमिटेड इन द हॉस्पिटल एंड सो प्रोसेस आरंभ हो गेलान सेठी से मना कले नाही तमे किडनी दियोनी अदर को एक्यूज पर्सन्स जो माने कि नेम अछि एफआईआर रे से माने तांकू कहले you don't take any tension, your wife will be taken care of, sabu apanakar care niyabo em sabu kahi ki
they persuaded
and tapre kidney transplantation hegal. Thereafter this informant came to know that what has happened in this case, my lord, there are many
Who is this informant?
husband of the donor.
Yes.
Husband of the donor.
Now he has filed a case.
He came to Mangalabag, he lodged a FIR. FIR lodge kale sei jo Sarmishtha Naik तांको वाइफ शर्मिष्ठा नायक माने जो मीडिएटर कहि परियो ब्रोकर जे भी एंड आउ गुटे पर्सन तांको ई तीन जन को नारे एफआईआर लॉन्च करले मंगलाबाग पीएस रे इन्वेस्टिगेशन स्टार्टेड आई एम कमिंग माय लॉर्ड्स हु आई एम एक्चुअली आई विल जस्ट सो इन्वेस्टिगेशन स्टार्टेड द आईओ वेंट टू विशाखापट्टनम द हॉस्पिटल वेयर दिस kidney transplantation
you are the 7L guy.
My lords, exactly.
I understood it.
Let's say. Without any rhyme or reason, they picked me up from the hospital and came to Cuttack. My lords, investigation kora gole. It is a con pile. God knows because my lord, this is the volume.
What is the statement of the donor?
Donor statement. My lords, I have the FIR.
Wife of
May I
the
read?
informant. Show me the statement of the donor. What he said. He show me the statement, then you have a case.
My lords, I'm reading the FIR.
Forget about FIR. You show me the statement 161 statement.
161 statements, my lords.
Lady whose kidney was taken.
My lords.
You show me if she
160
says that forcefully taken or something, then
Lordship.
you are in.
My lords,
Otherwise,
actually,
you are
the
out.
case is totally different. The case is totally different. Kindly allow me, my lords, few minutes. I will make it clear, my lords.
And this
I will not analyze it. At
Lordship.
that stage, I will not analyze.
My lords, 161 is the requirement in high. Ma'am, say it asuchi.
Why?
I'm telling that, my lords.
My lord, 1 minute, lord. This is one part you are also holding that. The second part, why he is not filing the or taking steps to restore the application which has earlier been dismissed?
Also, you.
My lord,
Why?
I'm okay. Let me clear that, my lords.
That is there.
The order of cognizance was under challenge in the previous litigation, my lord, CRMC. What has happened that my lord's old case he jaitla, Honorable Justice Gauri Shankar Satpathy raised kale ki itte din he gilani, this case must have been proceeded.
Don't take the name of any honorable judges in the court.
Lordship, the coordinate bench of this honorable court directed to obtain instruction whether steps have been taken or not. So my lord, certified copy obtain kara ko take time lagela. So on the said date, jo date my lord it was dismissed for non-prosecution, and it was directed if the my lord's cause of action persists to renew the prayer. So my lords, we have that option, or else we file the discharge so that it will proceed.
Order non-prosecution dismissed.
Huh?
You take steps to restore that application.
That, well, that is the option, but we have moved ahead. We have filed a discharge and that has been rejected. That's why.
ଆପଣ କାହିଁ certificate ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି for your genuineness?
After that, CRLMC got dismissed
Yes.
on default.
My lords.
The charge is framed.
No
the
charge has been
application was
framed.
rejected
No
or prior to that.
No, after that order was passed, we moved the court for discharge. No charge has till date, no charge has been framed. It is pending.
But
like
the
that.
application is turned down. Your application.
Exactly, my lord. Discharge has been turned down. That's why prayer has been, my lords, changed. So, my lords, I have.
And
been
in this application, no certificate has been given.
Because
Why are you not giving all? What
my
is
lords,
the
in my petition, I mentioned, my lords, kindly, my lords, kindly.
Certificate ଦେବେ ନା
requirement
petition
under-
ରେ କୋଉଠି କଣ
My lords,
ଲେଖିବେ?
requirement under- Why are you? These sharp practices I just don't appreciate.
କଣ କରିଛନ୍ତି ସେ application ରେ କଣ
Lordship,
challenge
kindly, para 19 of the
File some
petition.
petition also habeas corpus.
Para 19, my lords, of.
What is this habeas corpus?
Lordship, I'm coming to that. Actually, my lords, so my lords, investigation करिले आयो गले विशाखापट्टनम सेठू मते arrest कले आनिले कटक. My wife approached this honorable court and filed a WPCRL, so alleging that this entire arrest is illegal. Now, this honorable court in a division bench in a reported case also, my lords, categorically held certain things. Now, that is what, my lords, my case starts from here. My lords, kindly come to page number 43. My arrest was, my lord, declared illegal. I was released and that case was quashed. This is, my lords, what has happened in that WPCRL. But what has more happened in that WPCRL? Kindly have a glance to page number 43. This honorable court held, in view of such discussions, we are of the following opinion, that FIR cannot be entertained for breach of any of the provisions of the 1944 Toho Act, the Transplantation of Human Organ Act. Second, the Mangalabag police officials are not authorized to investigate a case relating to the breach of any provisions of the 1994 Toho Act. Third, only a complaint petition is maintainable and the complaint petition is to be made by the appropriate authority or any officers authorized in that behalf, either by the central government or the state government or by the appropriate authority. Now, fourth, when such complaint petition is filed, CRPC has to be followed, my lords. Now, my lord, the question of this 161 and all these documents, which the IO till that.
Because the complaint should have been filed.
Exactly, my lord. So it has no value in the eyes of law. It is totally, my lords, we can say pieces of paper now.
No,
after this.
See, because if other offenses are there already.
No, my lord.
Along with this.
My lords.
And
Then
then
What are the offenses?
the next he has not read out.
my lords.
Your lordship,
Kindly
of the
turn to my
next.
lords, Annexure 3.
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଅଧା ପଢନ୍ତୁନି ପୁରା complete କରନ୍ତୁ.
Put
The next
complete.
page 24.
Complaint petition is
Page
filed.
24 ଟା ଟିକେ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ.
24.
Organ transplantation.
Which one?
Innocent persons 24. Page 24.
20?
24.
He read 43. He read 43. You want to read 24.
24.
Let us.
My lord, innocent persons have been duped by way of a misrepresentation or for this.
1 minute, sir.
My
1
lord,
minute, sir.
my lord.
Yes.
My lord. Innocent persons have been duped by way of a misrepresentation or for the sake of money operation are carried out either within the state or the outside hospital authorities are also not verifying the documents to trace out genuine cases held. Direction issued to check such racket. This is racket, and this
means
so far this case is concerned, the person has been cited who is not actually the wife of the petitioner. That is the whole difficulties.
No, sorry, I couldn't follow.
ମାନେ ସେ ଯାହାର organ ଟାକୁ ଯେ ମୋ wife ରାଜି ଅଛି ଦବା ପାଇଁ ସେ ପ୍ରକୃତରେ ତା wife ନୁହଁ.
May I make it more clear, my lord? What has happened in this case?
All these things.
I'm telling my lord, this is. My lord, this actually there has been violation. Move, admit to there is violation. But my case
You are the
is.
doctor. You are the
No, I am nowhere connected. I am not the surgeon. I am not the consultant. I am no one. I am a medical director. There are, my lord, 15 directors in the hospital. Why me? The answer, if I get my why me?
Let's get to the FIR.
My lords.
ଆଉ ତ କିଛି ନାହିଁ ଡକ୍ୟୁମେଣ୍ଟ କିଛି ଦେଇନି ଖାଲି ବେଟା କିଛି ନାହିଁ ଚାର୍ଜ ସିଟ୍ ପାଞ୍ଚ ସିଟ୍ ଷ୍ଟେଟମେଣ୍ଟ କିଛି ନାହିଁ କଣ ଦେଖିବ
Lordship.
You have a good case, I appreciate, but you file the exhaustive all the documents.
My lords.
I'll simply issue notice.
This is
file
the volume. This is the volume the trial court.
What to do? If you want to make out a case out of that papers, then you have to file it. What to do?
Lordship. Okay, my lords. I will.
The only thing is 43 may come to your aid.
43, my lords. More also is there. Something more also is there. As my learned senior pointed out that before this case, my learned by the statement of my learned senior,
File all the documents.
Documented
161 of the
All the documents.
charge sheet 161. It is charged.
FIR is not only that organ donation, whatever.
Exactly.
FIR was not my lords only of the Toho, it was connected with IPC also. But here, the complaint is only under Toho. That is my case. My lords, kindly annexure 3, my lords, column 7, 6 and 7.
This is the complaint.
My lords,
Filed by the sub-division.
by the
filed by
appropriate authority.
Yes.
Yeah, my lords, only on the Toho Act. I am only challenging the Toho portion. I am not going into the IPC.
Then the 43 which you read out,
My
it's
lords.
followed. A complaint is filed.
How it is not followed? I am now, my lords, I am coming to that. Kindly read, my lord, come to
Then
page number 50.
procedural irregularities will not vitiate.
No
the entire
procedural.
proceeding.
No, my lords. I am coming, my lord. Kindly have a glance to page number 50. A case re, jehetu gote greater cause ithre involved thila case re, lordship. This honorable court passed some directions. What are the direction? The IO of this case is directed to take immediate step to file a complaint on the basis of materials already collected by him for the alleged violation of the provision of 1994 Toho Act before the appropriate authority in connection with this case. The appropriate authority may himself investigate the complaint or entrust the matter to CBI for investigation. Second, once the appropriate authority or CBI on investigation finds prima facie materials that there is breach of any of the provisions of the
This is a kind of an SOP guidelines.
It is a guideline hela.
So, my lord, it has to be followed in letter and
Complaint
spirit.
has come, and now merely because one line here and there is not followed.
No,
you can't
not followed, my lord.
ask me to pass the charge in total.
No, my lord. That is not my case. My case is
When the IO will come to the witness box, you ask all these things.
आयु इधर ଆସିବ ହିଁ ନାହିଁ my lords. ଯେବେ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ମନା କରାଗଲା କି FIR register Toho Act ର violation ପାଇଁ FIR ହେଇପାରିବ ନାହିଁ and police ର କୌଣସି power ହିଁ ନାହିଁ investigate କରିବାକୁ, ତେଣୁ police ଦ୍ୱାରା ପାଇଥିବା ଯାହା ବି documents seize କରିଥିବା ଯାହା ବି documents, laws in the eyes of law has no value.
What is this? What is this document? Annexure 3.
Annexure 3 is the my lord's complaint petition. Now, my lord, in this complaint petition,
No, you come to the sequence.
my lords,
Annexure 3 is the complaint.
yes,
Thereafter, what had happened?
what has happened in this complaint petition, my lords, ये जो direction था, I have, my lords, it is clear. I think that
I understand you are not on the basis of one judgment passed in habeas corpus petition. You want entire thing
Well,
passed.
it is
You have not filed
linked.
anything.
that is intrinsically linked, my lords. ये through ही complaint ଆସିला. ମାନେ या जोगु मतलब complaint
The
ଆସିଲା ही
court is
जोगु.
not entitled to know even the facts.
My lords, definitely. My lords,
What have you filed? Nothing.
50. My lords, come to 52, page number 52.
Yes.
ये जो complaint petition रे, my lords, देखो तो documents कौन annex करा है by the appropriate authority. First is the letter that this, my lord, the sign check or Sonamali Bagh, he is the appropriate authority. Second, order of this honorable court in WPCL.
Thereafter, what had happened after this complaint?
My lord's cognizance has been taken. Nothing. After that case is pending like
Where is
this.
the FIR then?
FIR?
You said
Kichi
FIR.
document, kichi document.
FIR I have, but my lord, it is, my lord, no way related to this complaint. My lord.
FIR is something else.
Exactly, my lords. That has been.
Where is that sequence? When least update just show me least update. See the least update. This is the least update. Can you make out anything out of it?
My lords, FIR is laws at 31.5.
Least updates are not filing in Excel papers. Just see least update which you have. FIR laws at Mangalapur Sonjo. Against whom? What is the FIR? What is the section? Not known. WP passed by the Honorable High Court on such and such. Who is the petitioner? What is the petition? Nothing known. IO submitted report to DMET Orissa on such and such. Which IO, which case? Nothing known. Complaint petition in 2CC number so and so filed on such and such. Filed by whom? Against whom? Nothing is known.
My lords, para 5.
Cognizance taken by which court?
I got
Which
my lords.
matter? Nothing is known.
In which
Imperial
offense?
order passed on such and such. Who has passed the order? In which case it is passed order? Nothing is known. Certified copy of the imperial order. There. And this is the list update. And you want a copying of the entire thing.
My lords, I got the
And
point.
no document.
ये
My lords.
document तो नहीं है
What documents are my lord?
This is the level of assistance if you
Lordship.
give and you expect that the court should give indulgence, why should the court give?
My lords, I will file all the documents. I will file the entire bunch of documents.
And
my lords.
this is not expected from a dynamic young lawyer like.
Yes, yes, yes.
You file it.
I will file the entire. My lords.
And counsel for the petitioner takes time to file additional documents to substantive. Least of what? See, earlier the least update was not there.
My lords.
Why in the rule it is inserted, you know? So that if you give a proper least update, the judges can also read and immediately the time will be saved.
I will give my lord at the list.
What is happening is if you read the least update, you are more confused.
My lords.
So we don't touch the file.
I will file, my lords. I will.
This
my
is
lords.
not the idea of filing a synopsis. So what is the synopsis? Just see. Synopsis. Just see the synopsis. Read it. Can you make out anything? If you know the case, oh, all right. But somebody who knows nothing,
Nothing, my lords.
can he make out anything out of it? Read it.
That the petitioner above named through the CRLMC petition assails the order passed by the learned SDGM Sadar Katak, passed in 2CC case number 863 of 2014, wide order dated 28/7/2023, by virtue of which the prayer for discharge under section 245(2) of CRPC 1973 has been rejected by the learned court without giving any just and reasonable grounds. The order being devoid of merits is liable to be set aside, and for the said reason, the present petition is being preferred before this honorable court.
If you don't introduce the facts, can you make out of anything out of it? You have to initially introduce the fact in a criminal case. Thereafter, you tell what are the procedural lapses. Then it can be done. Write down. You agree with me? Okay. 1 week time is granted. After 1 week.
My lord, 1 week, my lord, the system is very laggy. It will 1 week the hobby give need more time.
2 weeks.
Okay, my lords. I will show this order.
Yes,
maybe
Yes.
देखो तो नला उड़ा अर्जन करेगा
Sorry.
In an exhaustive petition, you have a case, then you are.
My lords.
Yes. Yes.
22.
ते कहदिन मते देबे निकले से डॉक्यूमेंट एते
Yes.
My lord, may I please your lordship?
Yes.
But the petitioner is not facing a trial, vigilance trial in the court of my lord, then judge, special judge, vigilance Sundargarh. But my lord,
What is this order?
yes, 28 of November 2023, where my lord, the petition was rejected and the case is now posted for recently. Yesterday I got instruction.
What petition is rejected?
But recalling the witness for cross-examination, and recently, my lord,
311 application.
and more so, the mother of the petitioner died, so he prayed for some time. Also applied for documents under RTI. The lawyer, my lord, seeks certain time to the learned judge to grant at least opportunity, but that has been hastily. The proceeding is being gone to my limited grievance.
Who do you want to call? Let us see the application.
Kindly see.
Where is the application?
Application, my lord, kindly see. That is page 77. Page 77.
77.
My lord.
Okay. Come to 77. Okay.
My lord. If you lord see, you will please to
75. Yes, 77.
para 3. That for the ends of justice, that at least 1 month time.
1 minute. 177. 74. 75. 77. Yes.
My lord.
Yes.
This is on that date, the learned judge vigilance dealt this petition where time was prayed for my lord cross-examine the witness and to on the ground that documents is applied from the RTI. So that was rejected.
Where have you said that?
Para 3, para 2,
That
2, that the advocate for the accused has yet not collected some relevant documents basing upon which cross-examination is to be made, and the latter effect of the accused has filed an application on RTI.
What is this? You have applied In the RTI, you don't know whether you get it or not.
And-
So therefore, you say that I have applied for RTI. Hold on.
Yes, yes, I bowed down.
Till I
Lordship.
get it, you hold on everything.
And
At
more,
least it's
more or less, my lord, kindly see the order.
Are you sure that you will get everything in RTI? Suppose the RTI will not, then you will move an application. I filed appeal.
Yes,
Wait.
bow down, my lordship. And more so, my lord, I have filed a memo. Kindly see the recent why the justice, my lord, the complete justice to be.
Have you got the all RTI
Yes,
documents?
yes.
Have you got it?
Yes, I got it, and more. My mother has died, so I recently prayed for. Well, I have given the
Now
kindly see
you
the
said-
memo.
Simply tell me, you
Huh.
got all the documents now?
Yes,
Which witness you want to recall?
5, 6, and 7.
Why?
Because in the meantime, my lord, because due to sad demise of mother, in middle the judge hurriedly proceeded the case, and 7.
Where is your 311 application?
ये पेज 72 देखो
72.
there's a habit of recalling witnesses.
No, don't say that habit. Fair trial is to be justice to be
72.
dealt.
72 8 11
Huh?
72
8 11. Yes.
हाँ first 71 ने
Accused.
PW 71 ने PW3 was recall 7 11 23 रे 71 page 71
72, you said 70.
हाँ 71 then 72
7 11 to 23. What happened?
para second para PW3 और cross examine on recall of PW3 7 11
You are reading handwriting one.
That is
my lord that is the order sheet से हाथ
Which part?
second para
Trial of the case
Yes.
is
is resumed. Witnesses Arun Kumar Panpera, PW3 is further cross-examined on recall on full by the defense and discharge.
This is PW
3.
report.
Sa-
PW 3
7 11 23
3 report. ठीक है.
Then 72
70
72 page 72 next page
72.
next page
Yes. Next.
8 11 23
हाँ.
second para
Prosecution is
accused was also and so second para you also got it
here.
second para first second third fourth fifth line file se hajira for two witnesses namely
Which order?
এটা 8 11 23 ର
8 11 23.
ହଁ ସେଥିରେ ମଧ୍ୟ PW4 was cross examined on recall
PW4 report. ठीक है.
then on the same day PW5
एक मिनट PW4 recall on
recall से 8 11 23
8 11 23. ऊपर टा देखिए डेटा केवल डेटा 7 11 23.
7 11 PW3
Today I was cooperating.
8 11
Next,
PW4
you tell me.
then
Also cross-examined.
same day 8 11 PW5 was examined and your lordship got it page 73 cross-examination of the witness has been declined by the
Court portion.
petitioner
No,
Say,
court-
PW5 was declined
Can you say I have filed any petition for declining? You yourself declined. That
Okay,
is my
PW5.
case.
You tell me next.
73 ମୁଁ କହୁଛି ମୁଁ ଯୋଉଟା କହୁଛି order
Next.
73 ରେ was declined and after closure of the
Yes.
evidence
Yes, my case is that.
4:30 PM रे he filed a petition for recall of the PW5
ठीक है. You can you got RTI information.
Yes.
Then you
My
can
I will
only, you
Millard
can only recall PW5.
5 as well as Millard. The now case is I have filed the petition. Kind of see.
So
Can you see the accused statement is Millard posted. So Millard, I there no chance. I have already in the.
ସେଟା ତ ଦେଖାଯିବ
ତେଣୁ ମତେ ଟିକେ opportunity.
କଣ ଅଛି?
Millard, one line the case may be disposed of. That advocate opportunity may be granted. I recalling the witnesses. I will Millard cooperate. That is kindly see the orders.
You may cooperate, but
Kindly see the orders. How the accused statement is posted on tomorrow. Again, most ସାକ୍ଷୀ ଗୁଟା ଯଦି
Well,
ନହେ
petition
only Millard that much.
Filed petition for granting time for 2 months. For 2 months for cross.
You will not. No, that is you will not be
What is
reduced
it?
to one month will be sufficient. Millard.
1 month में
Why
1 date
You will not decide.
No, jewelership. No, that is correct. 100%.
You move an application saying that I have applied for RTI copy. Wait. Thereafter you move application. I need 2 months.
Lordship knows the trial court. Yes, I don't. But don't. The genuine, well, fair justice to be dealt with. That is your lordship.
Death of the grandmother of the accused.
Mother died.
Obtain relevant papers from the RTA. This is no way this application. This application.
Your Lordship may grant opportunity. That much your Lordship takes.
PW5.
PW5 and 6, 7. That is truth.
କୋଉଠି ଆପଣ ତ ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି ସେଠି application, six
ଏଇଟା
seven
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଟା
6 ଟାକୁ decline କରିଦେଇଛନ୍ତି. I can see the order. If I will not say the trial court is well competent to dispose the case, but at least some breathing space to be.
No.
Yes, 6 to be. That is my limited grievance.
Joseph is present in the dock for a cross examination. The learned counsel for the accused declined to cross examine. You declined.
ସବୁଥିରେ decline କରିବେ
Again, mother expire କରିଯାଇଥିଲା.
No reason is assigned by the learned counsel.
This is the reason. But that
କଣ ଏଠି ଦେଲେ କଣ ହବ ସେଠି ଆପଣ ଦେବେ
I kindly see by petition. That much I will not say. The petition, how the judge is acting. I should not blame the judge. I should not blame the judge. And mirror how the recording is done, I should not say. My friend also knows. I should not say. My petition is there. Petition kindly see. The petition.
This is at 3:30 p.m.
Again, petition ta kindly देखो. Petition हम कौन लिखी तापरे Ballard will decide. Petition I have stated that the Sabitri Raut was expired on 2/2/2024 for which the accused was.
Who is PW5, 6 and 7?
PW5 TLO traveling officer in respect of that is ତାଙ୍କର interest of justice just cause ପାଇଁ your lordship may allow one chance on one day.
That. But who is this?
PW6 କିଏ 7 କିଏ ମୁଁ ଜାଣିନି କାରଣ ଏଥିରେ ପିଟିସନ ରେ କିଛି ଲେଖି ନାହାନ୍ତି. And there is for the call of the PW5.
Recently it has taken development. Yesterday I got the certificate. Just me finish. Yesterday I got the certified copy. The development, the recent development is that the matrix posted for.
There is PW7. There is no question of PW7. He is not.
Well, that is the order.
He is not examined.
That the order, Miller.
Where is that order?
That order has.
This order which you have sent only 6.
Certified copy. Blood, kindly see.
6 की 6 टा की
6 टा होची आपनकर
जोगेश प्रसाद पटेल.
जोगेश प्रसाद JP Patel.
अच्छा की
से आपनकर prosecution रहउची the person JP
Right, there is no
IO Miller IO.
There is no 7.
Miller JP Patel भी
सर PW5 की डाकंटो
and 6 IO important. That is 6.
1 minute. The petitioner is agreed by the order dated 8/11/2023 passed by the Special Judge Vigilance Sundargarh in GR case number 20 of 2018, whereby his prayer for recalling the witnesses
PW5
3, 4, 5 and 6 has been turned down.
No. 3, 4 allowed. Recall. 5 was declined. Subsequently, 4:30 ରେ ପୁଣି କହିଲେ.
Order says. Exactly. That is the order. Yes, it is your order.
Decline. Decline. Mr. Monana appearing for the state submits that indeed on 70. Where is that 70?
7/11/23
71 na?
7/11 हाँ 71.
In fact, on 7/11/2023, PW3 was
further examined
to cross examination, put to cross examination by the petitioner
on recall.
In recall. And similarly, on 8/11/2023, PW4 was cross-examined by the petitioner on recall. And insofar as the PW5 is concerned, the petitioner has declined to cross-examine the said witness.
There is no petition was filed.
That is his submission. Said witness. Mr. Morana further submits that PW6 was summoned on 12/2/2024. In the morning session of the court, the petitioner did not cross-examine the said witness. However, at 3:30 p.m., he moved an application seeking recall of the witness on the ground that who has died.
Mother of the petitioner.
Mother of the
petitioner.
Mother of the petitioner has died. I have perused the certificate copy of the next further. I perused the certificate copy of the order dated 12 to 2023, which reads addenda. ये 330.
You 230 minutes.
330. The related trial court has rejected the prayer of the petitioner for recalling PW6 because he has declined to cross-examine the said witness, and at the second session of the day, he has sought recalling of the said witness without assigning any reason. Mr. Lalit Mishra, appearing for the petitioner, has filed the copy of the application, whereby the petitioner had indeed assigned reason, full stop, assigned reason for not cross-examining the PW6. Next, without going into the details of the controverted facts, suffice it to say that insofar as the PW 5 and 6 are concerned, the petitioner no effort, no opportunity has been granted to cross-examine. Therefore, I am of the principle view that the petitioner should get one singular opportunity to cross-examine the said witness. The petitioner is directed to supply the probable questionnaires to be put to the PW 5 and 6, so that the trial court would examine the relevancy of those questions. Accordingly, the petition is partly allowed in the so-and-so court. What is that court? The
Learned and Just Special Judge Vigilance Sundargarh
is directed to recall the PW 5 and 6 on a fixed date and afford a singular opportunity to the petitioner to cross-examine.
Well, grateful.
The singular opportunity. No adjournment. No request of adjournment.
Shall be entertained.
Petitioner shall be entertained by the court.
The pre-copy matter. So pre-copy so that I can.
Obliged. Grateful.
Yes.
May I please your lordship?
Yes.
My lord,
It is single day not so jera ta jodi no saribo.
No.
Consecutive day rakhibe.
No, sir, kari period, sir. On the upon the kari period. This is not the your lordship will.
Your lordship that liberty.
I am not going to other aspect.
Suppose आमे भी जाउछु आप my lordship also vast experience by knowing. तो साकी जरा ta jodi no saribo.
आपण टी सकाळू पळेबे आपण सब हाई कोर्ट रे सब करिवे पैसा पत्र कमेबे तापरे तीनटा बेलू गले हबो आपण टी सकाळ पळेबे हिजो
that may be bit relaxation for the cross examination, otherwise মানে totally that may be
if the
সেটা লনের ট্রায়াল কোর্ট উইল সি
সেই তো ট্রায়াল কোর্ট কটেল কর দুজন মু আসছি
না কটেল কোর্ট না আপন তো কোশ্চেন দেবে
I'm not saying one day. I'm not saying one day.
Yes, that may be, but say interpretation টা অলগা করিবে কোর্ট কো করিবে না সেইটাকে সারা দুসার হাই কোর্ট কইছেন্তি স্যার that to be not that
ସାର ଦେବେ ସେ କହିଲେ
ସରି jo to ସରି
ଆପଣ ତ କୋଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଦେଇଥିବେ ସେଇ କୋଶ୍ଚିନ୍ ଉପରେ ଆଇ କରିବେ ଆଉ କେତେ ସମୟ ଲାଗିବ
the cross examination is spilled over. The trial court will take the call to continue the cross examination next date.
ha
spill over spill over
obliged.
Yes. Can you wait for 2 minutes?
Yes,
if you don't mind.
yes.
again
child, my lord. Your lordship kindly see page 63. Even seizure report.
Come to annexure 4. 164 state.
That is
164 statement.
my lord, my lord. That is 164 statement, of which document I have obtained on a certified copy from the court below.
Read
The कौन हला?
68,
सुविधा कौन?
68.
व्यस्त क्या हो जल्दी? आराम से पढ़ो लो.
68, my lord, that is
It's there.
my lord.
Read it.
I can't read.
कहीं किसी असुविधा तो नहीं?
Affair, causing of affair and criminal.
12
cases.
Out of which first 6 cases it is allowed.
Allowed.
Okay. Then these 7 cases not allowed. And here, how many cases you have filed?
I have filed another 6 cases.
In one proceeding.
In one.
6 cases are there. 6 cases are there. Okay. 6 cases.
One thing I want to point out, since there is chances of flight risk, so lordship, earlier there was condition. With that condition, along with that conditions, what's the condition?
Condition I am also filing order.
Along with that condition, what you need?
Another condition that earlier dishonorable court was directed the petitioner to engage his lawyer because petitioner is personally conducting the case. Engage his lawyer, he has not yet engaged. Another aspect, and in his absence, the charge would be framed and he will not dispute the same.
I am not disputing. I will engage before I leave.
Why have you not engaged? You got the order and you have to comply the thing.
My lord,
The idea is the trial should go on.
trial is also going on. I am also present. I am attending court. There is no
Where is
problem.
that condition? Where is that?
Condition is the order taking letter 3176 of 2017
C1.
CRLMC 3176 of 2017 last year.
Petitioner shall supply the
Condition.
telephone number and landline so and so. And he shall also supply email so and so. And it will take to. You do one thing.
And
whatever condition you want, write down and give it. Whatever condition you want. Okay. I'll allow all the petition. Okay. So all the 6 matters 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 27. So मुझे लिख दो. देखो. Petitioner is facing criminal prosecution in as many as 12 cases. As many as 12 cases. He has made similar prayer before the trial court in all the cases. Inter alia, praying that he may be allowed to visit the USA, United States, USA, to her only daughter, In 6 cases, this court, the coordinate bench of this court, by various orders, have allowed the prayer made by the petitioner. However, in the present remaining, in the present 6, in the aforementioned 6 cases, the prayer made by the petitioner has been turned down by the trial. Therefore, he is before this court. For ready reference, the details of the cases are given below. Mr. Maharana appears for the state, submits that in fact the petitioner is facing as many as 12 cases, in which in 6 cases the prayer to travel to USA to attend travel to USA to his only daughter has been allowed
for 2 months.
Has been allowed, but the same concession is given only for 2 months. Same concession has been granted to the petitioner only for 2 months with various conditions. For ready reference, one of the orders passed by the coordinate bench on 18/7/2018 in CRLMC number 3176 of 2017 is reproduced. Put back. Reproduction for the full stop. On the same line, the present 6 matters could also be disposed of. Mr. Marana submits that in the same line, the present 6 matters could also be disposed of. However, the condition so imposed by the coordinate bench has not yet been complied by the petitioner. And therefore, by way of abundant caution, apart from the conditions imposed by the coordinate bench, while allowing those 6 applications, there are additional conditions required to be imposed. Accordingly, Mr. Maharana submits that following condition, the petitions, all the petitions may be allowed and the petitioner may be allowed to travel to USA to attend his his only daughter for 2 months, subject to the following conditions. Give the all conditions. All the 6 applications mentioned above are allowed, and keeping in view the element of flight risk involved in the case of the petitioner, the conditions proposed by Mr. Maharana, as mentioned above, are incorporated in this order, and the petitions are disposed. Petitions are allowed.
Obliged.
Give their condition writing. He will give writing all the conditions. 28. All the 6 petitions disposed.
May I please? Before my advancing my argument, I have submitting the charge sheet copy and a deposition copy.
What do you want by this?
That's it. The petitioner has agreed by order dated 24/11/24 by
What had happened in this?
rejecting the recall petition of this
PW1.
Then only I am praying the only further processing the victim PW1 only. I have
Also,
And the matter relating to questioning of the proceeding ground of compromise, my lord. Could have filed my lord joint affidavit, my lord. Parties are present and my friend also appearing.
what are the offenses?
Offenses, my lord, 341, my lord, 506, and major offense is 307, my lord.
307.
Simple injury, my lord. That's why this is the injury report.
Mr. Maharaj, just
My lord, I am saying. Injured.
Who is the informant? Sushant Mahapatra. Sushant Mahapatra. Informant injured ke?
Both are injured, my lord.
Both are. Hemant Bhoi also.
No, Hemant Bhoi no. There are accused persons, my lord.
Sorry.
Injured is Amar Jena, informant.
And Kaivalya. Okay.
Father and son, my lord.
Father and son. Simple. Dekho the simple injury.
Injury have report filed, my lord. Lordship kindly. Certified copy have filed, my lord. Simple.
Write down.
And the dispute is a commercial dispute, my lord, for the
Whatever dispute you pay, and very simple. Simple. All simple. Write down. The who is the informant?
Informant is the Amar Kumar Jena.
At the instance
My Bakasrama is there in the opinion.
at the instance of the opposite party number 2, FIR number so under came to the petition. After investigation, charge sheet has been filed. Cognizance is taken.
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord. Cognizance has been taken, my lord. 341, 323, 506, 307, 34 IPs.
Date. You tell me the date.
That, my lord, the annexure 3, my lord.
Okay. On 21/2/2023, cognizance for offence under section 341/506/307/34 IPC has been taken against the petitioners. Next part. The petitioner and the opposite parties have settled their dispute on the intervention of the village entries and well wishers. All the petitioner and the injured
and informant
are present in the court. the injured, the opposite party number 2 and 3, being the injured and informant, are represented by Mr. Dwivedi, who has filed the Wakalatnama on their behalf. They have also filed affidavit dated
Today, Milord.
21/2/2024, inter alia stating that they have no grievance left against the petitioners as they have settled their dispute on the intervention of the village entities. The affidavit is taken into account. They have the petitioners, all the petitioners are present in person and they are present. Since the parties are represented through their counsel, they are being identified. Identified. They have also filed the photocopy of the self-attested photocopy of the Aadhaar card to establish their identity. Mr. Maharaja, appearing for the state, submits that although offense under section 30, although the court below has taken cognizance for offense under section 307 IPC, but the perusal of the medical examination of the injured placed on record indicates that the injuries are simple in nature. Over and above that, since the parties have now settled their dispute and filed respective affidavits, there is no infirmity in quashing the FIR. Taking into consideration the aforementioned facts and circumstances.
One minute.
How much?
Vishnu Charan Bhutia.
Vishnu Bhutia.
Bapang na ko. अच्छा अच्छा लकीला सबमिट करन ये अपन बापा ना को अच्छा गंगू सुशांत विश्व बापा ना को खंतु सुशांत महापात्र अपन सुशांत महापात्र बापा ना सुधाकर रामलेश हेमंत बापा ना को ठीक है.
How much you will pay? Five of you. Hello. Cost you have to pay. You have beaten with them and settling the dispute and wasting court's time. You pay the cost. How much? Yes, Mr. Maharaj.
They have already
at least some deterrent.
They have out of the court. They have already out of the court. They have already
2,500.
500 each.
2,500. 500 each.
500 each. 500 each. You have beaten and paid them. Keep on beating people and keep on paying money and now.
Since a commercial dispute for rent,
whatever you pay 500 each. Okay.
May I please also?
Yes.
Here in this case, the entire proceeding arising out of a complaint case.
Yes.
The complaint case is in annexure 1, page number 17.
What is the case about?
Yes, ma'am. I have here accused number 2 in the complaint petition. The petitioner is the accused number 2 in the complaint petition. I am only for the accused number 2 here.
Anshuman's house.
My lord.
Okay.
Here the allegations of the complainant is that in the year 2011, some of his co-hearers executed a sell deed in favor of me. And in
the complainant's co-hearer executed
a sell deed in my favor, in favor of the Anshuman, who is the accused number 2 in this case.
Okay.
In the year 2022, after a lapse of 12 years, she came to know that she has been impersonated by somebody.
Along with the co-hearers.
Co-hearers. Co-hearers includes his brother-in-law, sister-in-law, and her own son also. In 2022, she brought an allegation by filing this complaint petition that.
What is the stage?
Charge sheet has not been filed.
Investigation going on. Your lordship may kindly turn to case.
Again.
Investigation is going on. This is one part. Your lordship may kindly turn to miscase. Miscase page number prayer portion. pair portion. Just pair portion, not page marking. It is therefore felt that
ICC case.
To protect the petitioner from any coercive measure in connection with the Badagada PS case. Your lordship may kindly see this order.
Bail is there. I have given certificate.
Why so casual?
Secretary dekhe dele.
No, I have given certificate of that.
No. Set up a dispute me. There is no dispute about it. So
Order notice ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି.
order already passes to comply karo police pack jibo. So he has not gone to the police.
No.
41 notice.
This is not me. It is another accused.
Prakash Chandra Pradhan.
Yes, I am not Prakash Chandra Pradhan.
Same FIR.
Same FIR. Other accused are there.
So 41 ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କର ଯାଇଛି ବା।
Then ମୁଁ ତ ଯାଇନି ନା।
41 ତମକୁ ଦେବେ କଣ?
ନୋଟିସ୍ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ 41 ଯାଇଛି।
ସବୁ ଦେଇଯିବ।
Then I will take instruction ମିଳିବ। କାରଣ
ଆପଣ instruction ନିଅନ୍ତୁ।
ମତେ ଯାଇନି।
41 ରେ ଯାଇଛି ବୋଲି ଆପଣ instruction ନିଅନ୍ତୁ।
I will take instruction.
Similar order has been passed.
So that if 41 is not there, it will come.
ମତେ ଯାଇନି ବୋଲି ମୁଁ କହିଲି।
A petitioner had challenged the entire petitioner has filed the petition seeking quashing of FIR number 2 came to be registered against him by opposite party number 2. Opposite party number 2. Issue notice to the state. Issue notice to the opposite party. Let us see. We can settle out.
Yes.
I will not pass any stay order because it can't be stayed. Investigation is going.
Investigation.
Maharaj appeal for the state and submit that investigation in the present case is going on. And insofar as the other accused persons are concerned, notice under section 41 A has been issued by the police to the accused person.
Yes.
So therefore, insofar as interim application moved by the petitioner is concerned, the same shall be disposed of.
My lord, I will submit one thing. One of the accused has been arrested. How after issuance of 41 he was arrested?
Okay.
He is in custody also.
But in any case, this is not a bail court. I can't help you.
My lord.
And it is an investigation. Investigation says I can't pass also. So simply I am issuing notice. See if they will come. We will.
If my lord senior submits 41 notice has gone to me, with that observation, lordship may give.
What am I doing?
41 के दियों छतर पायल।
That's what I have written.
Bas.
Other accused persons are concerned. All the accused persons.
No, one is arrested.
All. Other city uta dechi.
And investigation, the case is in investigation stage, and police has issued 41A notice to few of the accused persons.
Few of them, including this, including ता नाम पे लिखी दिया।
Including
से जो लोग कौन दले से order था?
Including like this, कौन करना? Prakash Chandra Pradhan. Awaiting the instruction, matter is adjourned to.
My lord, if I am not protected, they will arrest me. The police will arrest me, my lord. Because, my lords,
you know which court you have to go for protection.
I know. Well, only thing I will submit, I am the victim in this case. So now I came to know that I have purchased a false.
If you are a victim, you persuade me after the investigation charge sheet is filed, I will pass the entire proceeding. But this is not a court for 438. 438 is somewhere else.
And lordship may give observation if Lawrence Senior Singh 41 is issued to me also.
Correct.
I will control the investigation also. Thereafter, you will say that your lordship may file charge sheet.
ମୁଁ ଖାଲି ଗୋଟେ କଥା କହିଛି କି ସେଇ ଯୋଉ ସିମିଲାର ଆକ୍ୟୁଜ୍ଡ ରେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ଆକ୍ୟୁଜ୍ଡ ର ତା ନାଁରେ 41 ହୋଇ
that is the only thing one can do. I have recorded that the 41
ମୁଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କ କଥା ଇନକ୍ଲୁଡ କରିବି।
So this observation will help you. They will give you 41.
Yes, that is.
But I can't direct the police to issue 41. I don't know what role you have. What have you done?
Yes,
who knows this? I'm simply adjourning it to marks. Okay. Meanwhile, you complete the investigation.
Yes. I am also taking instruction whether 41A notice issued against this petitioner.
Advise because see,
yes.
allegations are such nothing.
Right. Yes.
Why don't you go and apply for 438?
Right.
You will get that observation.
Okay.
The police will come and say that 41 I have given. Instead of doing, you are
Actually,
coming
that
forward into-
the accused number one broker is arrested.
Therefore, you should go to 438
My lord.
first instead of coming here
My-
straight away. Will you do that and shall I dispose it?
No, no,
Record
let them come. Let notice go like that.
32.
To my lord, counsel for the opposite parties has also received a copy of the application. And this is an application for recalling the complainant for questions. And specific questions was there before the lower court, but two questions were to be put to the complainant. This is a case under 138 and Act, is the sole complainant, and there is no other witnesses to contradict her version. So, in this context,
You want recall up to the complaint.
only two questions.
My lord, case is posted for judgment. 6 months back, he cross-examined in detail. Elaborately, he has cross-examined. And so far as the questions are concerned, my lord, he has he has already put that question.
No,
That's it.
my lord.
So therefore.
My lord may kindly
My
peruse.
lord may kindly see, with the, at the stage of pronouncement of the judgment, to stall the proceeding, he has come only.
No, my lord.
Argument has already concluded.
Time, date, place of giving the hand loan, source of amount of 60,000.
60
which-
lakhs.
So far the
6 lakhs.
question number.
Hey,
Huh.
Yes,
These are
sir.
the two questions.
My lord,
And let us see the statement.
my lord, the statement, my lord, she has given a statement that I have not gone
Where
to
is
your
that?
place.
Don't
That
say
in the
oral-
cross-examination.
Don't say orally, show me the statement.
Achhi, dekha. Your my lordship may kindly see answer.
Questions are not there.
And-
No, the indirect question.
Indirectly, they have given suggestion that I have not gone to you to collect the money 22. Question number 22, your lordship may kindly see. Put by the elaborately, vividly, he has cross-examined. 22.
22.
I cannot say the exact date on which I have filed, sorry.
Where is that 22?
My lord, 22, cross-examination by the.
Yes.
Yes, my lord.
I cannot say the exact date on which.
Filed the case, not about.
No. Thereafter. It is not a fact that the accused has never gone to my house and has not taken
Yes,
any
just a
amount
second.
from me
I can-
or has not issued any check to me. My lord, that question was put to and it has been answered. And so far as the source is concerned, even if from which source I have given him the money, it is immaterial. Whether you have received the money is
That's
important,
not
my
relevant.
lord.
That's not relevant.
Relevant.
Source is not-
Yes, my
No,
lord.
my lord.
Source is not relevant.
Relevant.
They check the
Yes, my lord.
legally recoverable or not.
Not
Wherefore, he
done.
not- is
Yes,
not-
That is not relevant.
Legally, yes, my lord.
Huh.
That is two sections.
And for that, he has
First,
given suggestion
section
that I have not issued the check.
No, no.
It is a security check.
Holder
So
in
he has
due
to prove.
course, section
And he has
9.
already adduced the evidence.
Okay, I understood it.
My
Now,
lord.
Write down. The petitioner being the accused in a
May submit to all.
complaint is initiated by opposite party under section 138 had moved an application under section 311 CRPC seeking recall of the complaint for cross-examination. In the 311 application, he has proposed the specific questions in para 4 of the application, which reads as under page 9. Page 9, para 4. On notice, the opposite party has appeared through where is your vocal of nama?
My lord, I have filed my word.
Through
RK Raut, my lord.
don't show filed the vocal of nama. This is taken on record.
The memo.
He has placed on record the certified copy of the deposition of the
Complainant.
CW1.
My lord.
Only
One
witness in
minute,
this
one
case.
minute. Let me complete. CW1, the complainant, who has been sought for recall. Who has sought who has sought to be VW1, and he has taken me to the which specifically in the para 22, the witness
Deposition copy.
suggestions in the further cross examinations. नहीं तो नहीं पूरा रिपोर्ट लिख सकते क्रॉस एग्जामिनेशन नहीं टेकन मी टू दी नहीं तारा ग्रुप फाइल भी कुछ deposition, which indicates that the said witness was subjected to cross examination thrice, namely thrice on 25/11/2022, 6/5/2023, 6/5/2023, no, 4 times, 6/5/2023, and on 8/11/2020. The said witnesses was elaborately cross-examined. He highlights the query number 4, query number 22. 22. So the witness inter alia stated age under 22. 22. Inter alia stated. On the basis of the aforementioned, it is submitted by the counsel for the opposite party that the question, the proposed question, as mentioned above, has been adequately put to the witness. So he has also answered the same. Insofar as the second question regarding the source of the amount of rupees 6 lakh, which is the check amount is concerned, it is not relevant for the determination of the issue in list. Yes. Therefore, he opposes the prayer made by.
Sita, I would to jinso that the paragraph 12 re kochta order portion re lower court kon lekhila. It is settled proposition of law that a criminal
No,
court
you have cross-examined 3.
has no power to recall its own order. It is ame taku kahunu je not to recall the order.
Taking into consideration the aforementioned facts and circumstances, statement made in the bar, I am not inclined to interfere in this matter. And I have not inclined to accordingly the petition is dismissed. Yes.
Obligement. I may be pardoned, Lord, may I make a mention? Just now, one order you Lordship passed just before this matter, but item 30.
Yes.
Item 30. Lordship may kindly take up tomorrow. Your Lordship may not pass any order.
Why?
Because one my friend submitted, because in absence I should not say, Lord. His application is pending, 430 application. Matter has been adjourned to 2/3/2024. Anticipatable is pending, that has not given reference, and is frankly saying that I have not pressed any suppress anything.
That and 41 notice.
41 notice. Application is pending, 430 application. I can calli get a list karan.
List tomorrow.
Fine.
Have you verified it?
Yes.
See, this is very unfortunate. What happens is, at least you should be fair to the court. I go by the face value of the statement made in the bar. Every time you can't keep on checking. They should declare. I should start imposing heavy cost. Sir is there. Sir will advise the bar.
Sometimes advocates are not disclosing the.
What is happening is the rule says that if you have approached this court by filing some petition, at least you should disclose. They don't disclose and take the order. Orders are passed. There are to verify some matter is already there pending.
You have to explain what made him not to.
And frankly, they are submitting. We have not suppressed.
And they are assertively saying that we have not filed anything. Thereafter we find.
For that, you are asking him to file the
application. My
So then the only
my,
solution.
my friend has suggested good thing to me. He said that in the court and impose heavy cost to be paid to the bar.
No, that's
Always,
the only. I
each and
believe
every
that.
day, would impose 10,000 rupees each and every day. That is going to
What
bad.
to do? I think I should impose cost. If they don't disclose impose cost,
Yes.
at least they should
Yes.
bear the blunt of it. Otherwise, can't be discipline.
ସେ ରାତି 2ଟା 3ଟା ହେଇଯାଉଛି ଏଟା ଚେକ୍ କଲା ବେଳକୁ ସବୁଗୁଡାକ ଚେକ୍ କଲା ବେଳକୁ କୋଉଠି କୋଉଠି ମିସ୍ ହେଇଯାଉଛି ତାପରେ subsequently along with me my lord your lordship may but in higher forum pending
You never know. That's very.
we are believing in the council they should have disclosed everything
Which is his case, sir.
sir ko case kota cheyna
You are which item?
No, I am for the opposite party. Mr. DP Dhol is for the petitioner. so I am for the opposite party.
Which one? You are going to proceed with the matter?
57.
Going to proceed with the matter or asking for adjournment, ma'am?
57.
You will proceed.
No, my lord, the petitioner, I am not the petitioner's counsel. I would have prayed for some other day, but since the petition is there, my lord, I can't say. I can take an adjournment in his absence.
Okay, I'll keep it at 2 o'clock then. If you are waiting. Yes. 43. 33. Yes. Password. Everybody wants to come at last. 34.
May I please? I am appearing for the petitioner. Though I have filed the petition to quash the proceeding, but my limited prayer is let trial court be directed to dispose of the matter within a stipulated period.
When was the FIR?
2022.
22.
As because the present petitioner is a widow and there is no negligence on her part. Actually, he was engaged daily labor to cut a branch of a tree, but unfortunately that was connected in a wire, electric wire. As a result, the labor was died.
Informant opposite party number 2, my lord.
My lord.
I'm for the opposite party number 2 informant, my lord.
11.
What has happened?
304A. Well, 304A. Problem master.
Experience.
Without obtaining permission from the electric department office, that
Sorry,
yes, my lord. You can, my lord.
Only 11
Whether he has the right to for.
My lord, my lord.
On the
and also 41 complied.
who is the complainant here?
My lord,
son of the
At the instance of
deceased.
opposite party number 2, FIR number 2, so came to raised against the petitioner. And the petitioner has been facing trial. In the said case. The learned counsel of the petitioner submits that the petitioner is a widow. She is petitioner is widow and she has been facing the trial. The allegation against the petitioner is that he had engaged the father of the opposite party number 2 to cut a branch of a tree. Unfortunately, the father of the petitioner number 2 met with an agent met with an agent and died. Therefore, the petitioner is being
Even if this
petitioner is being prosecuted. Petitioner is being prosecuted.
My lord,
Although the petitioner has challenged the entire although the petitioner is seeking quashing of the entire proceeding initiated against her, but the letter counsel for the petitioner confined his case only limited to the confining case for speedy disposal of the trial. Next paragraph. Free, fair, and speedy trial is a constitutional right of every accused. Okay. Every accused. the petitioner being a widow and in facing the trial since long, I'm of the considered view that the trial should be expeditiously concluded. Accordingly, which court? Accordingly, so court is directed to conclude the
It is in
trial
Bhubaneswar.
as expeditiously as possible. As expeditiously as possible.
Yes, madam.
The main is so and so is directed to do well to see that the trial is concluded as quick as possible.
Yes, my lord. My lord, kindly see Annexure 3, even after receive the consideration on amount of rupees 1,50,000.
That agreement we are disputing, my lord. As per my instruction, we had never done that.
Video record is there also. Obliged.
Yes. 35.
Lordship, are we permitted to withdraw since instructions?
Remove.
Check.
Here. 36.
36. May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
I may be permitted to appear through this.
Yes, yes.
My lord, this CRLMC has been filed against the order of the learned court below, whereby the court below rejected our petition to call for the CCTV footages of the police station campus. And on previous date, your lordship had directed the learned additional standing counsel to instruct the concerned PS to preserve the CCTV footages.
Yes, madam. I have given instruction. I have received a report from the IO, my lord, regarding progress of the case and also
What
so-
is this? What is this thing?
Already your lordship earlier occasion directed me, asked the IIC to preserve the CCTV footage, my lord. And that has been, my lord, the IIC directed, requested the DPO
Some technician.
for the technician. For that is one there, my lord. So for the investigation part is concerned, my lord, that is continuing. And since the IO on seek, my lord, for that reason the substantial not progress, my lord, that is continuing.
That is preserved. Your CCTV footage is preserved.
Madam, for the purpose of bail, they filed an application before the trial court stating there that CCTV footage may be called for, my lord. There is no scope on the part of the trial court to call for the CCTV footage, my lord. That is
the difference. See, your grievances are addressed in the sense the CCTV footage is now preserved.
They call
How
for
it
this.
will be used, whether it will be used or not, that is the prerogative of investigating agency. We can't dwell upon those issues.
I may be permitted to bring your lordship's notice to some of the facts.
No. It is you got a favorable order and be happy with it.
My lord, I understand.
Where was your application?
Sorry, my lord.
Application.
No, the application is not filed. The impugn order just
Only order, my lord.
My application did not contain the prayer of bail. Bail has already been granted by the.
Madam, the petitioner has challenged the order dated 1/6/2023, passed by which court? Sessions come the special judge Baleshwar, inter alia, rejecting the application of the petitioner for direction to the IIC Jaleshwar to preserve the CCTV footage of the Jaleshwar PS, for the on the of the date of occurrence, that is 21/5/2023. The matter was heard on 3/1/2024 by this court, and Mr. Ragada, appearing for the state, sought time to seek instruction in this regard. Mr. Ragada has placed on record the written instruction dated 21/2/2024, whereby the IIC Jaleશ્વર PS has stated that what technician? A technician from DPO Baleshwar has been employed for preserving the CCTV footage of the Jaleshwar PS on we did 21/5/2023.
My lord, 25.
Written instruction obtained by Mr. Ragada is taken on record. Since the grievances of petitioners are duly addressed, the petition is disposed of with disposed of accordingly. Accordingly, the petition.
One thing mention, my lord, the IAC requested the DPO of Baleshwar to preserve the 60 project. That's enough. Requested.
Employed and requested.
Requested.
To preserve the IIC Baleshwar may carry out the aforementioned. Shall I give direction?
Direction better.
When the IIC Baleshwar may do good to see that the footages are preserved.
On the particular date, on the same date.
Footages as mentioned above are preserved.
My lord, I may be pardoned, my lord. My lord, the relevant date is 25/2023. Because 25/2023 we have sought for the CCTV footage. 21 is not disputed.
25?
20 May 2023.
Application May 2021 to 28. Okay. Next.
Disposal.
37.
Take up the order. Presentation.
Yes.
37.
38.
38.
Yes.
It's
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship will challenge the framing of charge, but in the meantime, the trial has already been commenced. Your Lordship, only humble submission, the learned trial court may be directed to expedite it and complete the trial.
How the trial is begun? Why you are so?
It's been 10 years, Your Lordship, 8 years and 2 months.
10 years.
Yes, Your Lordship.
When the charge is framed?
Charge is 16
16/10/2015, Your Lordship.
15.
Yes, Your Lordship.
challenge the order of charge dated 16/10/2015, which is not maintainable under section
In
482.
the present petition, the petitioner has challenged the order dated 16/10/2015, passed by the Learned Special Judge Vigilance Cuttack in TR case number 52 of 2021, whereby charges have been framed against the petitioners. The counsel for the petitioner submits that despite the fact that charge was framed as back as 16/10/2015,
Yes,
the trial has not yet been concluded, and it is moving in a snail pace. Therefore, she prays for direction to the court below for expedient disposal of the trial.
Yes, sir.
The trial by now. without going into the, without venturing into the reasons of delay, I'm of the considered view that since 2015 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ,
Your Lordship, 8 years.
Huh?
8 years.
You're about 8 years.
8 years have already been lapsed. It would be appropriate that the appropriate for the appropriate to pass the following order. Appropriate for the trial court to see that the trial is concluded as expediently as possible without further delays. With the aforementioned observation, the petition is disposed.
Deeply obliged, Your Lordship.
Yes. 39.
Item number 39, I got permitted to withdraw.
Withdraw. Very good.
Already member filed.
Yes. 40. 40. Yes. No, he's there. Mr. Sahu, yes.
40. Sanjay Kumar. 40 honest. My lord, 40 Sanjay Kumar Panda.
But he is written 40 item. Yes, Mr. Sahu.
Your Lordship, in item number 40, my lord, there is one IA for amendment of the petition, Your Lordship. Previously, one counsel filed this application wherein, my lord, he added SDJM as a opposite party number 2.
The IA number, what is that? IA number 367 of 2024 is allowed.
No, my lord, 367 of 2024 is allowed. I will file the consolidated petitions, my lord.
And the petitioner seeks to file a consolidated petition within 2 weeks. Urgent.
Grateful, my lord.
Allowed. Do whatever. Yes. Next.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Hmm.
Well, day before yesterday, I have undertaken to supply one judgment regarding passment of the non-compoundable offense, my lords.
What is this matter?
The matter, 376, along with the other offenses, the matter was settled. Settled. They have appeared before Your Lordship day before yesterday. 42.
Where is that? Day before yesterday. Where is that order? Day before yesterday. That order is not there.
Day before yesterday, even if in same on day before yesterday, I have also filed one comprehensive affidavit, Your Lordship. Pointed.
Give me the copy.
Pointed out.
And since they are not filing the, they are filed the affidavit, but not mention the GRPS PS. For that, not inclined to
Without
intervene.
anything.
They have rectified the affidavit.
Where is the order? 922, sir. Right?
My lord.
No, no. 19.
19.
Personal affairs dispense with, and also they have been directed to file the.
Have you filed the affidavit now?
My lord.
Better affidavit.
Where is the affidavit? Better affidavit.
Affidavit I have already filed the day before yesterday.
There is a copy now. Record.
Thanks, copy
Better
already.
affidavit. You have filed better affidavit.
But my lord, I have already filed 3 times. In
The affidavit by when filed this thing, the matter was the present matter was taken up for hearing on 19/2/2024, and this court passed the following order.
Now, the whole problem is, my lord, 376 and other offences are there, my lord. 506, my lord. For that reason, my lord, the lordship asked them to give some judgments.
Where is that?
My lord, basing they give up on copy. My lord, may one judge.
They are not married.
No.
They are not married. For that reason, your lordship.
Which paragraph?
My lord, kindly see paragraph 29(5), my lord, noted in paragraph 12, my lord.
Yes, right now.
My lord.
No doubt that is right in line with the judgment of this court and reiterates the legal position that heinous and serious offences like murder, rape, and the court should not quash the proceedings. And it will be relevant to refer to the paragraph 29 of Narendra Singh and
My
State of
lord.
Punjab. While exercising power and the High Court of Punjab is the possibility of conviction is removed completely. Possibility of conviction is
My lord. The square cover.
Narendra Singh.
My lord.
307.
This is case under section 376 along with 506.
Which one? Narendra.
No, Narendra, no. This that is this is the Kapil Gupta case. I have annexed one.
ରେପ୍ ଡକାୟତି ଆଉ ମର୍ଡର ହବନି ବୋଲି।
Narendra କହିଲି ସେ।
ହଁ, 376 କଣ କହିଲି?
ଏଇଟା 376 ଟା ବେଶୀ
Right.
ଦେଇ ଦଉଛି ନା। ହେଇଯାଆନ୍ତୁ ସେଟା।
Following order. And pursuant to the aforementioned order, the petitioners have now filed a affidavit. No, the opposite party number 2 has now filed an affidavit. Inter alia stating that opposite party number 2 is included or not. Everything is possible here. A petitioner, opposite party number 2 has now filed an affidavit. Inter alia stating that on the intervention of the well-wishers and well-wishers, she has entered into a settlement with the intervention of the village entry and well-wisher. She has entered into a settlement with the petitioner, and she doesn't want to proceed to the present case. Mr. Raghunath appears for the state and submits that this case under this case whereby the trial court has taken cognizance.
My lord, I am challenging the
Trial
cognizance.
court has already taken cognizance for offence under section 376 bracket 1 and 506 for IPC. Since the offence is heinous in nature, quashing of the proceeding in toto is not called for. To per contra, the counsel for the petitioner has relied upon the judgment of the Supreme Court in this one, Kapil Gupta and all. While and submits that in the said case as well, and in the said case, the Honorable Supreme Court has by relying upon the judgment, its earlier judgment in Narendra Singh, Narendra Singh versus State of Punjab has quashed the offence, quashed the proceeding, despite the fact that the offence was under section 376 IPC. He strongly relies upon para 12 of the judgment. Para 12 of the judgment. Para 12 of who? This judgment. Kapil Gupta. Shukra. Take it. Full sir. We let counsel for the petitioner submits that since the prosecutrix in the present case had appeared before this court and has given an affidavit that she doesn't want to proceed with the case. So therefore, subjecting the petitioner to the trial would be a futile exercise. Because there is a blink chance. There is a blink chance of obtaining conviction. Then there is a remote and blink chance to obtain conviction against the petitioner in the present case. I have given a conscious thought to the. I've taken a conscious thought to the judgment and fact scenario presented, and for the bench of review that the further continuation of the prosecution against the petitioner indeed is a futile exercise, therefore so on request. Obliged. And subject to the petitioner paying cost of what? You pay the cost.
Your lordship.
1,000.
My lord and senior.
1,000.
1,000. Obliged.
Yes. Both matters, no? 65 there are a lot of passport, there are 40. Let us see of 5 minutes. Yes.
May I please? I am praying from a 1 week time, my lordship.
Yes, budget.
My lordship. I'll come up some other reported judgment, my lordship. But
Pass away, lordship.
May it be yours. Your lordships, P11 petition has been rejected.
Then 11.
P11 petition has
Who
been
do you want?
rejected.
Who do you want?
Your lordships, PW1, your lordships, the victim, the offense under section 3.
Belgium matter praying for extension of time.
Extension of time, why?
Not a surrender due date. Due date.
You want
Due
to
to communication gap.
when do you want to surrender? You tell me. I'll record that and pass it. Why extension of time?
Again, 15 days. 1,000 rupees I'm already deposit कर देंगे. कर देंगे.
नहीं कॉलेज में नहीं
Deport करले पैसा के तो
there was an order already.
They are not surrender on the.
Okay,
Date
you
fix.
want a further extension. Maybe moved application.
IA, this IA.
Huh?
IA
Finish on
2329.
You tell that by the order dated 31/1/2024, this court has passed the following order. Para 4. Para 4. नहीं para नहीं this court has passed the order dated 23/4/2022, whereby the learned STJM Jaipur had issued NVW against the petitioner, subject to condition that the petitioner should appear before the court within 7 days of 7 days and avail the remedy under law. Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that due to communication gap, she could not avail the benefit of the said judgment and seek further extension. How much? She on instruction she says that another 7 days.
Let's say 15 days.
Okay, 12th of March.
Yes.
Submit that on instruction submit that her client would be appearing before the court below and as per the order dated 31/1/2024 on or before 12th of April. Sorry, 12th of March and avail remedy under law. The application that is IA number 329 of 24 is allowed. Yes.
modification of order, my lord. Modification of order. The 3% of order will be modified. I'll say the serial number 5, my lord. Serial number 5 of the order. The operation order of dated 3/10/19.
16/2/2024.
No, STGM 10 bola. Instead of STM 10 bola, it will be JMFC 10 bola.
You might have written in the petition.
No, I have written JMFC 10 bola in cost title. In cost title JMFC 10 bola by typical mistake.
Typical mistake, but who is that?
JMFC should be JMFC 10 bola. Is state till 16/2/22 ହେଇଛି ରହି.
Yoshi has written it is record of where from he got it? Why the court time is wasted like this? Where from he got it? Huh? All for an instance. All for an instance. Did you mistake by our office? Today you want. Yes. Which application is yours? Application is? Where are you? Application number?
I number 319.
319?
Yes, ma'am.
No, 319, there is none. Where is that? 319, there is no application. 319. Where is the 319?
I number 319.
319? It's not that. The petitioner has filed an IA, the present IA, 309, present IA, seeking correction, typographical correction occurred in crofting, the order dated 2/2/2024. In para 5 of the said order, instead of JMFC
Daspala.
JMC Dasapala,
Tillman.
SDJM Dasapala is found mentioned. Therefore, he needs correction. According to the order dated
My lord.
2/2/2024 is yes.
On the same sentence, till 16/2/22 ହେଇଛି ନା?
Again, see the order. See the order. Both things you note down. What is it? Pass for the next one. And there are other typographical errors also apparent in the state paragraph. Accordingly, the application is allowed. The para 5 is replaced by the following para. Operation of the order dated 3 para 5. Operation of the order dated 3/10/2019 passed by the learned JMFC Dasapala. JMFC Dasapala is stayed till 16/2/2024. Now that has gone to be surrendered.
Not surrender. Before I have filed modification.
Okay, 16/2/2024, and the petitioner is directed to appear before the court, seek appropriate remedy.
My lord, one thing.
1 minute, able to under law. So the paragraph next order. Land Council, the petitioner further submits that due to the typographical error, he in the order dated 2/2/2024, he could not avail the benefit of the said order. Therefore, he seeks extension of the time granted by this court to surrender before the court below. Accordingly, the time is further extended for the petitioner to appear before the JMFC Dasapalla on or before 15th of March 2024.
My lord, one thing. My lord. The petitioner directed to appear before the learned court. Learned trial court. Trial court, this is the case of court of sessions, my lord. No, pending is court of JMFC Daspala. Trial court held the session court Noyagod. Trial court केमते?
What do you want?
Then
you have to go to trial court only.
Trial court.
JMFC have passed the order issuing NBW. Now it has been committed to that court.
Not committed.
Not committed.
Not committed. Pending in the JMC.
The petitioner is directed to surrender before JMFC Daspala on or before 15th, and seek remedy available to.
Then the first or second order may be passed.
This is not the jurisdiction of this court.
First or
Don't
second,
respond. You- under the guise of modification, you can't ask further. Yes. Next.
May I pray, my lord? It was 66, both the parties are present, my lord, female member. 2 p.m.
Any adjournment? Anybody?
No.
Adjournment.
When Paranto mentioned 63 is taken up today, item 63.
Today I'll take, but what about any adjournment you need?
My lord, item number 52.
item
my lord.
50 ଟା stay ଥିଲା ଆଉ AD ଟା return करनी informant ଠାରୁ, so it will be extended. And the AD has
Let
not.
it come.
Yes, yes, my lord.
My lord, item number 52.
Asu.
VC, my lord.
Sorry, speak little louder.
We are appearing after getting the notice.
You want an adjournment?
My lord, I am.
You want an adjournment?
My lord.
Okay, next week.
My lord.
Entry order to continue.
Entry mode to continue. 58. Yes.
58. One week after 50 next week.
Yes.
My lord, item number 52.
Which one? Yes.
May I please, Lord?
Parties have appeared?
Yes, madam.
What is the offense?
My lord, 490.
And 463 days.
400?
There is delay in depositing the tax collected at source. Some delay is for 4 days and 463 days.
Ranging from 4 days to 4.
4 days to 460 days.
Where is that?
And my lords, that your lords will find in the complaint petition I have enclosed, my lords. That is Annexure 2, page 24.
Then what is the order
I
for?
paid the amount. I paid the amount with interest. Now, because
When have you paid? After cognizance, before cognizance?
No, before cognizance. Much before cognizance.
Yes, yes,
Now,
sir.
My lord, recently I've been assigned to, I would take, so instructional department.
These are small prosecutions, basically.
Yes.
There is a delay in depositing the TDS amount collected.
My lord.
And there is a provision of the interest also. If they will deposit delay, they will have to pay interest. And prosecution is also provided.
Yes.
He has already paid and interest is paid unnecessary.
And there is hardship, lordship, for a minute. May kindly see the provision, section, enshrined in section 278 AA. Who says that if there is a
These are
reasonable
actually compoundable offense.
Well,
And why you can very well give consent will pass it. It is a burden on you also.
Yes.
Wasting money, public money to prosecute them.
Yes.
I am.
Who will impose some cost to be deposited with you. Because even if they are convicted, some penalty is there.
Yes.
Penalty. What is the?
No, I have to go rigorous infringement. I am being the director. I will go rigorous infringement which may vary from 3. And my lords.
Will you seek instruction?
Well,
Generally, I pass all these things because if they paid the.
And also, my lords.
My lord, you find out the
what I pray, my
how many cases you obtain conviction in this kind of situation.
My lords, may I submit?
Nothing.
May I submit, my lord? While sanctioning for the prosecution, lordship will be pleased to see at page 285, the Commission of Income Tax has not taken into account the corporate insolvency resolution process. And
You are suffering.
yes, I underwent and I've given the resolution plan, my lords. Page
He,
47.
then it is a very good ground for questioning.
Yes.
He is suffering NCLT proceeding. That is
May
not
I
taken
pray?
into consideration while giving sanction.
May I pray, my lord?
That is the.
May I pray, subject to your lordship's acceptance, that this sanction order may be set aside to the commissioner. Let him again consider with the resolution plan and with the judgment plan. There is a judgment of this.
I know that.
Yes, of this.
Well, 2 weeks time, I will take the instruction.
I'm putting it in next week. Come and
Fine.
in the light of what the seniors submits, there is the NCLT proceeding going on. The resolution plan is in the place. That
And
has to
that
be
has
taken
been
into
accepted
consideration while giving sanction.
by the Kolkata bench, by the appellate authority.
There is
Yes.
Because the management has gone from their hand.
Yes.
IRP is sitting over their head. You have to take into consideration that while granting sanction.
And it comes within a reasonable cause or not.
That's the scheme of law. What to do? You have to. Then comes about the opposite party. Mr. So appears for opposite party. It takes 1 week time for obtaining instruction regarding the validity of sanction granted granted against the petitioner for prosecuting him for the offence under section what are
276B and double B, capital B.
capital B so and so. And sanction under annexure 8 na?
Yes, madam.
P8. You seek instruction.
Madam.
Madam.
Madam, there is
No problem.
an interim order.
The interim order to continue.
Madam.
Much
obliged.
If the sanction goes, everything goes. Yes. Normal. Pass over. No. 18.
Very quick.
Yes.
Yes, madam, I challenge the order dated 31st July 2023. The what specialist has taken cognizance.
You are challenging the cognizance order.
By
Petitioner challenge the order dated, my lord. Order dated 28/2021, my lord. My lord, in this case, my lord, is a total false case, my lord, lodged by the informant, my lord. My lord, kindly see the FIR, my lord. My lord, the FIR, my lord, annex.
Come to charge sheet.
Yes, my lord, charge sheet, my lord. Charge, yes. In charge sheet, my lord, for 27 294 506 34 IPC. My lord, in the FIR, my lord, kindly read, my lord, in the FIR, my lord, the FIR Aji 1921.
Okay, after FIR, investigation has taken place.
Yes.
And some material might have come
Yes.
against you. What are the materials which are on record insofar as the offences are concerned against you?
My lord, FIR is totally, my lord, I am not in this place. In the incident taken place, overflow of the water, my lord. The overflow of the water, the boundary broken. They are not stay in the house as per the FIR. They after coming to the house and lodge a FIR against me and my 2 sons, my lord. My lord, only see in this my 2 sons.
That's right. But
Yes, my lord.
after investigation, what had happened? Let us.
My lord, in the they said that they broken the boundary through crowbar and others. They are not seized, my lord. They are not seized by the police, and the independent witness also stated that, my lord, 161 statement, my lord. Kindly see annexer page.
Yes.
Page 26, my lord. Independent witnesses stated that Sudam Nando tankaro puo ଅନ୍ତର୍ଯାମୀ ନନ୍ଦ ଗୋଟିଏ କେନାଲ ଖୋଳି ଦେଇ ଯାହା ଫଳରେ ତାଙ୍କର କାନ୍ଥ କଡ଼ରେ ପାଣି ପଶିଯିବା ଜମି ରହିଲା। ଅନ୍ତର୍ଯାମୀ ନନ୍ଦ ମୂଳେ ପାଣି କମିଲେ କାନ୍ଥ ନଷ୍ଟ ହେଇଯିବ। ତେଣୁ
Have you read the brief earlier or you are trying to read
ନା
here?
ନା ପଢି ହଉନି ସେଇଟାକୁ ସେ 161 ପଢି ପାରୁନି।
They are copy.
How do you expect? You can't read. How will I read?
ସେଇଠି ଲେଖିଛନ୍ତି କେନାଲ ଟା ଭାଙ୍ଗି ତାଙ୍କ ଘର କେନାଲ ଟା ରଖିଦେଲେ। ମୁଁ ଘର କଲି, ମୋର ପଡୋଶୀ ଇଏ ମୋର ପଡୋଶୀ, ମୁଁ ବି ଗୋଟେ କାଉଣ୍ଟର ଏଫଆଇଆର ଦେଇଛି। ମୋ ପଡୋଶୀ ମୋ ଘର ଆଗରେ ଗୋଟେ ମୋର ପାଚେରୀ କି ଲାଗି ଗୋଟେ ଗାତ ଖୋଳିଦେଲେ। ଯେ ପାଣିଟା ଗଲା ସେ ପାଚେରୀ ପାଖରେ ରହିଲା। ସେ ପାଚେରୀ ଯେତେବେଳେ ପାଣି ଓଭରଫ୍ଲୋ ହେଲା ପାଚେରୀଟା ଭାଙ୍ଗିଗଲା। ମୁଁ ଯିଏ ଇନଫର୍ମାଣ୍ଟ ଘର ନଥିଲା ସିଏ ଆସିକି ଏଫଆଇଆର ଦେଲା, ମୋର ପାଚେରୀ ଭାଙ୍ଗି ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି, ମତେ ଧମକେଇଛନ୍ତି, ମାରିଛନ୍ତି, ଇଏ କରିଛନ୍ତି। ସେଇଟା ବି ସାର୍ ରେଜିଷ୍ଟର୍ଡ ହେଇଛି ଆଜ୍ଞା।
କଣ ହେଲା? ଇନଭେଷ୍ଟିଗେସନ ସରିଲା?
ହଁ ସେ ବି ତାର ଇନଭେଷ୍ଟିଗେସନ ହେଇକି
ଚାର୍ଜସିଟ୍ ଫାଇଲ ହେଲା?
ଚାର୍ଜସିଟ୍ ଫାଇଲ ହେଇଛି।
ଟ୍ରିପଲେଟ ଟା କଣ? ଟ୍ରିପଲେଟ
ସେଇଟା ୱିଡ୍ର କରିଥିଲି ମୁଁ, ଚାର୍ଜସିଟ୍ ଟା ଦେଇନଥିଲି। ସେଇଟା ଯୋଉ ପଗ୍ନେଶ୍ୱର, ହଁ ଏଇଟା ସେଇଟା ଦେଇନଥିଲି। ସେଇଟା ନଥିଲା ପାଇଁ କି ୱିଡ୍ର କରିବାକୁ, ହଁ
ସାର୍ଟିଫିକେଟ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି।
ହଁ ସେଟା ୱିଡ୍ର କଲି, ତାପରେ ଫ୍ରେଶ ଫାଇଲ କଲି ଆଉ ଥରେ।
Fact matter,
These are minor offenses.
settle matter.
Wall appears to have broken. Now the allegation is whether he has broken or because of water flow, it is automatically
notice will go to the valid OP2 for that is matter.
I just issue notice.
Further proceeding matter.
It's
Further proceeding, my lord, I is there, my lord.
Let counsel for the petitioner. I really though. Let counsel for the petitioner. Submit that there is a possibility of settling the matter with the opposite party number two. There is a cross case initiated by the petitioner against the opposite party number two. You also withdraw that case and the civil also will pursue it.
This case number, my lord,
on that condition,
72, my lord.
He is ready and willing to drop the criminal case initiated by him against the opposite party number two, subject to condition that the opposite party number two also should drop the proceeding initiated by her against him. Taking into consideration the above submission, the further proceeding in so and so state.
Obligation.
Later comes, you see, both the things will be tamed.
Item 17, my lord, there is a clerical mistake.
Yes.
And annexure one is the serial list. When the serial list was prepared, there is inadvertently, page 8, Lordship may kindly have a glance, that the bullet number which has been mentioned, that was 69.
You want correction in the seizure memo?
Yes, ma'am. Because they are not releasing my vehicle, which is still lying there from 2022. Whenever I am approaching the court below, they are saying that no such vehicle is there. I have given the photograph. Lordship may
Who are you? You are accused.
I am also accused. On my behalf, the motorcycle has been seized. That is a bullet. When the seizure list was prepared, that prosecution inadvertently say 9649 लिखिया जगह 6949 लिखी देले
9649.
that I have
not I put it, short I put it.
yeah, that is my registration
Then your vehicle is not seized.
that they are saying thereafter, my lord, I am giving annexure 4 the photograph of my vehicle.
What is this? Correction भी करेंगे नहीं घट्टा भी देंगे
But the problem I have already discussed with the IEC. Then IO has already
whatever. The real problem is you have written wrong number. Yes, the vehicle. You don't release the vehicle also.
And charge sheet has already been filed. So that is why I have directed them to do as per law. And he's requested me to take some time to so that I will get proper instruction on that regards. I have already.
Why are you asking for correction? Why are you not saying my vehicle is not seized, released?
Lordship, I have given annexure 4 the photograph that my vehicle is still lying in the police station. whenever I am approaching the court below to release my vehicle, the report has come to the court below, no such vehicle has been released because of the number.
Chassis number, engine number ଟା same ରହିବ ନା?
Everything is there. I have given my registration certificate, page.
ଆପଣ ଗଲତ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ ଏଫଆଇଆର ଫାଇଲ କରନ୍ତୁ theft।
ଆଜ୍ଞା 22 ମସିହାରୁ ବୁଲେଟ ଟା ପଡିଛି ତାଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ।
ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ ଏଫଆଇଆର ଲଜ୍ କରନ୍ତୁ। ୟୁଆର ଭେହିକଲ ଇଜ
Because it has been seized.
ବୁଝିପାରିନି ଯେ chassis number, engine number ଦେଇକିରି ହିଁ release ପାଇଁ
Lordship, seizure list.
ତ chassis number, engine ଯଦି same ଆସିବ ତାହେଲେ କେମିତି ମନା
Yes,
କରିପାରିବେ?
Lordship, deputy surveyor, I have no problem. The local.
ସେଟା ମୁଁ କହୁନି।
why don't you find out?
Lordship, may kindly have a glance. The seizure list, page 7. I have given the Pintu Das, the present petitioner, on his behest the vehicle.
Where is that order rejecting your application?
ସେଟା କାଇଁ?
That is paragraph 4 I have mentioned, madam.
No, show me the.
The magistrate always used to say you take back the petition because no such vehicle is there.
Where is that?
That after the petitioner are released from the jail custody, he has approached the learned court below to release his vehicle by filing his original registration certificate. Thereafter, on the basis of original registration certificate, magistrate had called for a report from the local police to release the vehicle, but the report submitted by the police.
Where have you gone to the trial court for correction?
Correction they are not doing, my lord. They are saying no vehicle is there because my signature seizure list has been done. Seizure list 7, my signature Pintu Das, from my possession vehicle has been seized. They have mentioned from my possession vehicle has been seized. Their mistake, they did a wrong number in the seizure list.
ନାଇଁ ସେ application ଟା କାଇଁ ସେ application
Application to those in known and why it is not my interested to come here.
ଫାଇଲ କଲା ମାନେ ତ ନମ୍ବର ଗୋଟେ ମିଳିବ ନା ଆପଣ।
If a lobster will allow.
Right up. The petitioner has invoked the inherent jurisdiction of this court inter alia making following prayer. Prayer is that. The case of the petitioner is that he has been seeking release of his vehicle number.
Vehicle number OD09Q 9649.
9649.
That is the next
OD09Q 9649. 9649. 964, which has been received by the police in pursuant to the investigation in the FIR. Which FIR?
Hon'Ble PS case number 217/2022.
Good, sir. But repeatedly his application is turned down because in the seizure memo, instead of OD09Q9649, the vehicle number is entered as OD09Q 6949. Therefore, he seeks indulgence of this court. Issue notice to the opposite party. Mr. Maharaj accept notice and seeks time for instruction. So, sir, it is made clear that in the event the vehicle number OD09Q9649. What is this vehicle?
My bullet motorcycle.
Bullet motorcycle.
Yes, Lordship,
Enfield bullet.
Enfield bullet.
Enfield bullet motorcycle number 0D OD09Q 9649 is not seized by the police in pursuant to the investigation in the case FIR number so and so. The IAC so and so is directed to release the vehicle forthwith.
A free copy disposal application disposal.
No, issue notice.
Yeah, free
next time you will come and say that it is released, so that will dispose.
Lordship, may see annexure 4 from the.
I have done it. Why? He'll release now.
Oblige, man.
A free copy
In case it is not released.
I understand. Deeply obliged.
Next week. Give it on next week anytime.
Deeply obliged.
A free copy.
Free copy. Okay. 24.
Item 24, I need some time. Let's say maybe from next week any day. Any day fix.
They'll give it.
My lord, the dispute between two employees of a organization, which leads to a in-house committee. The committee inquiry report I don't have. Committee report has given clean sheet to in my favor. That is to be brought on record.
Sexual harassment in
Yeah?
workplace. Sexual harassment in workplace.
Yes, that is there.
Get that report.
Yes, let's see. Next week, any day or else.
कितना number item?
24.
We'll see adjust and give you data.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, next. 37. Okay. 44.
May I please, Lordship? The case regarding matrimonial. I have.
May I please, my lord? I'm appealing to PC amounts. As per the order dated, in this case, as per the order dated 30th of January, my lords, notice was issued upon OP number 2. Now, as per the noting, the tracking report reveals that the item was sufficiently delivered. As per the noting, my lords. The process issued upon the note OP number 2 was sufficiently delivered, my lord.
So let us see. I'm just adjourning it. He may come. Interim order to continue.
Say notice ta serve.
No, notice.
So it's a case of 302. Trial has been stayed. I am ready for hearing, my lord. Notice served is not appearing.
Interim order.
This is the first. This is the first opportunity, my lord.
Let not be appeared. I am here.
Maybe fixed after 10th of March, my lord. Any day. I'm ready. I'll conduct the hearing, my lords. I beseech your lordship, subject to your lordship's acceptance.
14.
Interim order may continue, my lords.
Interim order continue. Here. 49.
This matter, your lordship had substantially heard that I am seeking quashment of the proceeding of my lord. The FIR was registered under 373.
You are supposed to get the instruction.
It's regarding the charge sheet.
Charge sheet.
Yes.
Have you got any?
If your lordship wants, I can read it.
Yes.
I'm giving one.
I am having everything.
Place it on record.
I am having everything, my lord. I am ready also.
Place it on record. Mr. Bose has handed over the charge sheet and the entire charge sheet. Charge sheet which is taken on record. Matter is posted for you. Shall we create?
But any day as per your lordship's command.
Give it.
Well, Lord, can I request for 29th?
Okay, keep it in 20. 20. Okay. Yes. 15.
May I please, Lord? Noting has come, my lord, that the AD has not returned from opposite part number 2, who is the informant in court below.
Then what do you want?
No, my lord. Say editor फेरी नहीं सकते out a date for
awaiting service on opposite part number 2.
Interim order to continue.
Interim order to continue.
Obliged.
51, my lord. Petitioner is an assistant professor of Veera Surendra Sahib University and Technology, my lord. Had filed this present petition for quashing of the criminal proceeding on the ground that, basing on the allegations, the disciplinary proceeding was initiated, and on the same allegations, the criminal proceeding was initiated. And in the meantime, in the disciplinary proceeding, my lord, the petitioner has been acquitted, and he has been reinstated in service. So, as per the decision of this Hon'Ble Court, 2 to 3 decisions I am relying upon. The Hon'Ble Court has decided that once on the self-same charges, when a person has been exonerated from the disciplinary proceeding.
Exonerated, you might be relying upon that Sabharwal judgment and all, where if there is an adjudication process.
Yeah.
See, in FERA, Coffee Kosa and all, parallel proceeding goes on. One is adjudicating process, another is criminal prosecution.
Right.
If in the adjudicating process, if you are acquitted, if you are discharged or exonerated, exonerated, then on the self-same ground, the criminal prosecution will not happen. That's the law. But in not the department. Standard of proofs in both the cases are different.
That's it, but you also kindly say I'm referring to the judgments, so also for a moment.
Before my lord going to the judgment, your lordship may kindly see this order.
Not disclosed?
Yes, disclose. Disclose, but your lordship may kindly see this order. Immature. This application. Without compliance of that order.
To write all these or
Court order.
and petition is disposed of with the entry or possible the stands executed of continuing branch to communicate this order to the pension. Now,
My lord.
you have the court has disposed of saying that you raised it in the appropriate stage.
Appropriate stage is going to say, jaha kartile, it is a kartile.
Same thing you repeated.
Thereafter, there is subsequent development. I'm bringing your lordship's notice. Yes, ma'am.
What is the development?
Miller?
What is the development?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you gone to the court below?
Yes, ma'am. In the court below, I had filed a petition to a discharge petition was filed. And thereafter, your lordship may kindly see the order passed by the court below.
And you are challenging the proceeding of that discharge order. That's what you want me to say.
Yes, ma'am.
He has challenged, he has praying for passing over entire proceeding.
You are not challenging that order.
Also, I'm challenging for passing.
See the prayer.
Yes, ma'am. I'm reading the prayer. It is therefore humbly prayed this honorable court may graciously please to admit the petition and issue.
Sure, order. So order.
Read about it.
Sure, order.
That is 24/8/2023. Is the order, your application is rejected.
Yes, ma'am. No, in the 23, I'm under annexer. Annexer 5. Annexer 5, ma'am.
Prepared or?
Yes, ma'am. Annexer 5.
That's what I'm asking. On 24th of August,
Yes,
2023, your application
was rejected.
seeking discharge has been rejected.
My lord.
You are coming that against that order. You are coming here.
My lord.
Show me the judgments. Minoketan Pani. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. The relevant portion is, you also may kindly peruse.
Yes.
I have page marked it, page 7. Serially, I have page marked. Para 26. For all of the aforementioned reason, in the facts and circumstances of the present case, where on the same charges on which the petitioner is facing criminal trial, he has been honorably exonerated in the departmental proceeding. The court adopts the reasoning of decisions in Radhashyam Kejriwal versus State of West Bengal.
Have you read Radheshyam?
Yes, I have also.
What Radheshyam says?
The same thing, Lord. I have also. Yes, ma'am.
See, that is arising out of what?
Page 25. Page 25. Serially, yes, ma'am. In case of exoneration, however, on merits where
no, exoneration in what? Just see exoneration. What is exoneration in which proceeding? Exonerated.
In the disciplinary proceeding.
No. In the adjudication proceeding. Just see. Radheshyam.
Page 25, para 38. No. Para 38, your lordship may kindly peruse.
It is FERA proceeding, sir. Just read it, Radheshyam. You are not trying to distinguish the case. A FERA proceeding, when FERA violation, have you ever came across FERA cases?
No.
Recently, your lordship also passed as reading order.
At one point in time, I was a lead counsel in FERA proceeding. So therefore, Radheshyam, I have
and in recent judgment of this honorable court, recent judgment that is on 8/28/2023.
24, my lords have.
Yes, yes.
Two departments
after
20 exonerated. Still, I said that criminal proceedings will go on.
Yes.
I mean,
because I have taken a view, you may be in a position to convince the
already disposed of it.
Other bench.
I
have already taken a view, so therefore, taken a view against you. So therefore, I'm simply adjourning. I don't want to spoil your case. I'm simply adjourning. at the need.
Yes, ma'am.
You can try your luck
My lord.
because I have taken a view unnecessary. I'm prejudiced
My lord.
already. So therefore, I don't want. Yes. 52. 52.
My lord, Siddharth Mishra, the senior counsel, is ill. Some defects also are pointed out. Let the matter come on 1 week after.
Adjourned.
My lord, may I need to mention 49, your lordship stated for hearing. Hearing it will come much will. As in the list, as in that serial in the list. Hearing it will, our hearing means it will come in the last.
No, I'm not saying him. Only shift here. It will come.
No, hearing your lordship stated, so hearing if it is there, it will come at the last.
Then what do you want? Simply adjourn.
Simply on 29th,
49, item 49, simply adjourn.
to 29th. Well, hearing means
what to do?
Well, not system like there, mother. Hearing means after notice it's all hearing there. But here hearing means it's an admitted case. After that, after admission, everything the hearing.
Every court has its own way of functioning.
But I was a little confused, so I have mentioned. Simply, if your lordship may say.
Simply.
Grateful.
Yes. 53. Mention of the adjournment. You are in 53.
53, my lord.
Somebody mentioned for adjournment.
My lord has fixed the date to fixed to April first week. Con date do first week of April. My lord, there's an interim order, my lord. I'm grateful.
May I please, your lordship? The petitioner is praying for the quashing of that criminal person, the proceedings under DV Act, your lordship. The petitioners are the in-laws. Two out of them, 4 petitioners, so 2 are the ladies. The statute said that it can female members cannot be respondent in the as per section 2Q of the Domestic Violence Act, your lordship. My lord.
Entry model
3209 by 23.
23. Friends.
28 क्यों अच्छी सर?
28.
Obvious, my lord.
I have given my lord my note of memo of citation.
Thank you, sir.
ଆମକୁ ଗୋଟେ କପି ଦେଲେନି
ନବ
50.
Item 57 kindly taken up next week, lordship. I have taken consent from the opposite party, your lordship. If there is an interim order, any short date, your lordship.
Requested my
Simply say dates may be given. Short or long, we'll see.
Next week, my lord, any date, my
Next week, not possible.
Getting my stay order.
Give it whatever is possible.
April.
Not possible. You got an opportunity. You don't argue what to do.
She is praying
Whatever.
for time, my lord.
Whatever is possible, you give. Yes. Next.
ଆପଣ ସୁବିଧା ଅନୁସାରେ ରଖନ୍ତୁ ସେ ଆଟେଣ୍ଡ କରନ୍ତୁ
Interim order is there, your lordship. Obliged, lordship.
59, my lord.
58 ଟା କଣ ହେଲା?
Lordship directed similar in custody. This one court has quashed 376, my lord.
59 is
Time from there.
So there is a typographical error. Typo error.
59.
So in this 50 Manoj. Item 59.
350. Serial 350.
ନିଜ WhatsApp report receive in WhatsApp
59, huh? Okay, 59.
Okay. Serial MC 350.
58. 59, okay. What was the order? Yeah. Present report today to the council and submit that to you. You have settled the issue?
Yes, Lord.
It
was 59.
59.
And giving Lordship wanted to see
cyber
the order passed by this one would go in other case. 76, he was in custody, that was passed.
ନା ସେଇଟା ଅଲଗା that is altogether different. This
I mean,
is especially
a student,
No, no,
lordship may
student-
see the date be fixed to examination. And after getting your lordship's order,
I have received the instruction from the IAC. I am reading your lordship may kindly. ମୁଁ ବିକାଶ ବେହେରା ପିତା ନିତ୍ୟାନନ୍ଦ ବେହେରା ମୁଁ ସାଇବର ଥାନା ବଲାଙ୍ଗୀରରେ କେସ୍ କରିଥିଲି 11/1/2024 କେସ୍ ନମ୍ବର 3 ଅନୁଯାୟୀ ଥାନାରେ ରେଜିଷ୍ଟର ହୋଇଥିଲା। ମୋତେ 9/2/24 ଦିନ ମୋତେ ସେ ଅମନ ସାହୁର ମା ଫୋନ କରି କଥା ଦେଲେ ଟିକେ ଆସ, ମୁଁ ଯିବାରୁ ମୋତେ ଜବରଦସ୍ତ ଧମକାଇ ଗାଡିରେ ବସାଇ ଆପଣ ହସିଲେ କଣ ହବ, ମତେ ଯାହା ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ମିଳିଛି
yes, yes, you need that instruction, lordship.
let him read
Yes,
it.
yes, oblige the person.
ଗାଡିରେ କଟକ ନେଇଗଲେ ଏବଂ ଜୋର ଜବରଦସ୍ତ କଟକ ନେଇଗଲେ ଏବଂ ତୋର ଟଙ୍କା ତୁ ପାଇବୁ, କମ୍ପ୍ରମାଇଜ କର କହି ତାଙ୍କ ଓକିଲ ପାଖକୁ ନେଲେ।
My lord, he was before your lordship.
Can I go into the
No,
veracity of this?
my lord, that is the
If
statement.
the settlement is arrived on
My
this
lord,
basis, how can?
My lord, he himself present before lordship, filed an
I will not
affidavit.
go into all these things, sir, please.
My
Don't
lordship,
do that. You said the settlement and the settlement is obtained in this fashion.
no, my lord.
You have
My
taken
lord,
and
I am-
I'll pay the money, you do it.
Already I have paid. And he admitted before the lordship, the lordship has passed this.
Right, I know that.
Yes, my lord.
I know that, but what to do?
My lord,
This is the instruction.
yesterday, I approached your lordship in manner in which IIC has threatened that fellow, that boy, informant. My lord, all the petitioner are the friends, my lord. Their date is fixed for examination, my lord, may see.
I understand the problem. That is the reason I wanted to help you.
Yes, my lord.
Only because to
That
help
let
him,
him
your
produce-
lordship
that
directed me
lordship
to
may
take
direct
this.
the IIC to produce the fellow before your lordship, what he has stated before your lordship, that has been recorded by your, my lord. So, କହିଲା ଆଜ୍ଞା ମୁଁ ମୋର ପଇସା ପାଇ, we have paid it in the bank account.
That is not important. Paisa paigavata important.
Yes, not my lord.
He has indulged in
My lord,
the cyber crime.
Yes, my
He has
lord.
indulged in the
Yes,
cyber crime. Investigation is going on.
Yes,
He is in the custody.
yes.
Cyber crime, from how many people he has taken the money, nobody knows.
That may be called for.
Nobody knows. I have given indulgence to you because he is a student.
He is a student,
And,
yes.
and
And this is
nowadays-
only case.
Nowadays, the students are only involving in this kind of cyber crime.
Maybe, my lord.
This is a big racket.
Yes.
So we don't know how many cases are there.
But
And if the
lordship,
case is
that-
there and the father of your father
Yes.
goes and pick up this complainant, saying
My
that you will
my
take
lord,
your money, you don't proceed.
Father is also present before your lordship. On his own wish, from Balangir, he has come before your lordship and filed an affidavit, stated before your lordship that I received the money, we have given it in shape of bank.
IO says that he has taken this
ଏଠି ଯେହେତୁ compromise ହେଇଗଲା, ହଜୁର ଗୋଟେ order କରିଦେଲେ, ତାକୁ ସେ ଧମକା ଧମକି କରି ଆଜ୍ଞା that has been recorded, my lord.
କଣ ତାକୁ କଣ କରିପାରିବୁ?
ଆମେ କଣ କରିପାରିବୁ?
ହଜୁରଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ଯୋଉଟା କହିଲେ, that is wrong, my lord. By saying affidavit.
ନାଇଁ he says, but ବାହାରେ କଣ ହେଲା, under what pressure he is coming here?
Let him come. Lordship can direct the IIC to bring that fellow here. If he denies, then it matter both.
He is the father.
Yes,
He has done it
he is the
all.
father, my lord.
ଆରେ ସେ ଫାଦର ହୁଅନ୍ତୁ, ମୋର କହିବା କଥା
ଆଜ୍ଞା,
ଯେ your
ବାପା
lordship,
ମା
ଆମର direction।
ଗୋଟେ case ପାଇଁ ହଜୁର ଗୋଟେ
Find out the way.
ମୁଁ ସେ କଥା କହିଲି, ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ ରାସ୍ତା ତିଆରି କରିଛୁ, ଗୋଟେ ଡାଇରେକ୍ସନ ହେଲା ଯେ ଆପଣ ଆକ୍ଚୁଆଲି ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ସେଟା କଣ ହେଇଛି। ମୁଁ ତାଙ୍କୁ କହିଲି, ସେ ମତେ ଡିଟେଲ୍ସ ଲେଖିକି ଦେଲେ ଯେ ଆଜ୍ଞା ଏଇ ସିଚୁଏସନ, ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନର ସିଚୁଏସନ ଏଇଆ, ସେ କଣ କୋଉ ଗ୍ରାଉଣ୍ଡରେ ସେଟା ଆଫିଡେଭିଟ୍ ଫାଇଲ କରିଛି, ଆଇ ଡୋଣ୍ଟ ନୋ, ବଟ୍ ସିଏ ମୋ ଆଗରେ ଏଇ କମ୍ପ୍ଲେନ୍ କରୁଛି। ନାଇଁ ମୁଁ ସେ କଥା କହୁନି, ମୁଁ
In person, he appeared before you.
I am not disputing your affidavit.
My lord has asked this question, whether you have received, whether you want to compromise, my lord.
That's not the issue. The issue is now, if you have settled the dispute,
My lord.
the indulgence of this court is only limited to the extent that being a student, his career will be jeopardized.
My lord.
So that is the reason indulgence. And you have settled the dispute. If your father has gone and obtained the consent by force,
Is
and,
it possible, my lord? He came to before your
I
lordship.
don't know whether it is possible or not.
My lord, he came before your lordship. Lordship put the question.
The only thing is, then I'll have to get out of this court and start investigating.
and ଏ ରିପୋର୍ଟଟା କିଏ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି? ଏ ରିପୋର୍ଟଟା ସେମାନେ ହିଁ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଥାନାରେ। that I am your lordship may kindly see।
ସେମାନେ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି।
ସେମାନେ ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି, ମୋ IAC ଦେଇନାହାନ୍ତି।
Let IIC be presenting.
Yes, my lord. Oblige, my lord. Bring lordship may direct the IIC. Yes.
VC ରେ appear ହଉଛି।
ଆଜ୍ଞା
Along with that boy.
ଆଉ ବୟ ଆମେ
ଇନଫର୍ମେଣ୍ଟ ଆପଣ ଆଣିବେ ନା କିଏ ଆଣିବେ?
ଆପଣ ଅନାହାନ୍ତି, ଆପଣ କମ୍ପ୍ରମାଇଜ
ଆମେ କି ଜାଣିବୁ, ଆପଣ ତାକୁ ଧମକଉଛନ୍ତି।
ମାନେ ଆମେ
schedule means many examinations are there. Which examination is appearing?
I'm just 12/3 I think. 12/3 also.
12/3 रहते तो Monday आसू. Right. 12/3 रहते Monday. Monday.
10 हाँ 12/3 start.
No, Monday also. As it is, your client is employed in a very good profession, extracting
Sir,
money
fast
through
time.
cyber crime.
ଲୋଭ ସାର୍ ହେଇଛି ଛୁଆଟା ଲୋଭ ହେଇଛି
That is how
ଏଇଟା
this
କିଣି
will be.
ପକେଇଛନ୍ତି ଜିନିଷ ପ୍ୟାରେଣ୍ଟସ ଡ୍ୟୁଟି ହେଲା ତାକୁ ସେଟଲମେଣ୍ଟ କରିବା
ଆଜିକାଲି ଆଉ ଡକାଇତି ଇଏ କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି ବସିକି ଆରାମରେ ଘରେ ବସିକିରି they get the money through the cyber crime and he has started the profession initially.
ସାର୍ ଭୁଲ
He will grow in
ପ୍ରଫେସନାଲ ହେଇଥିଲେ ସାର୍ ଧରା ପଡିନଥାନ୍ତା ନୂଆ ନୂଆ ଚୋରି କରି କରି ତ ଫଟାକ
ଏବେ ତ ଆରମ୍ଭ କରିବ ସେ profession
ଆଉ କରିବ କଣ ସାର୍ ପାଠ
and you will get opportunity to defend him in many cases. Don't
ବିଏଡ୍ କଲେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ମାଷ୍ଟର ଚାକିରି କରିବ ଆଉ ଆମେ
and this is a very dangerous trend for children, you know, young children, very trend. So Monday we'll see. Let us find out from there.
ये फ्री कॉपी लॉट
ଗୋଟେ ସାର୍
Today-
କପି ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ଦେବେ କହୁଥିଲେ
ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ କାଇଁ ମୁଁ ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ଦେବି ମୁଁ କୋର୍ଟକୁ ଦେବି ନା ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ
ରେକର୍ଡ ଆସିଲେ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ
ପୁଣି ଦବା କଥା ନା ସାର୍ ଯାହା ସେ କହିଲେ
I have not taken that on record. Only he has read it out, so therefore let him place it on record.
I have already given
Mr. The written instruction received by the State Council is taken on record.
बस
ठीक है. Don't aggravate it. Let us find out.
Student, all otherwise, my lord has
Student now there ସେଇଦିନ dismiss କରିଦିଆ.
ନାଇଁ ହଁ that's true ସେ ହଜୁର ବି ନିଜେ ପଚାରିଲେ ହଜୁରଙ୍କ କଥାଟା ଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ ଗୋଟେ ଆଇଆଇସି ର କଥାଟା ଇମ୍ପୋର୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ
You whatever you are saying may be correct. You don't know. The police people must be. It is an ego issue.
Yeah, yes, correct. My lord have visualize the thing. This is ego.
देखते हैं कैसे करोगे. Kind of.
ये ତାଙ୍କର ବେପାର ବନ୍ଦ ହେଇଗଲା.
What to do?
Yes. May I please your lordship? Madam, here. This is
Item number 60, last week I made a mention to your lordship.
Yes.
To adjourn the case for, my name was not printed first. This time also because your lordship probably directed also.
But last time asked for adjournment, I gave them.
No, I asked for, let it come after 2 weeks and your lordship said, but the petitioner said that it's a very urgent matter. I failed to understand how it is an urgent matter of quashing cognizance. Anyway, your lordship posted today. My name.
May I just present the case, my lord?
My name is not printed.
Name, my lord, engineer is here.
No, you need not reply
Name
for
is
that.
present, my
With
lord.
all respect, my learned friends do not reply this between court and me.
No, I am submitting to the court only. I am not.
You are not supposed to submit to the court in this context. You have got the other side advocate.
I do not know what's happening.
Why
Not quarreling.
we are wasting in time in this?
No, I'm not.
Let me
not
just
quarreling.
make
Your
my
lordship-
submissions, my lord.
Your lordship.
What is the case?
No,
My lord, I'll just let me present the case. My lord, my learned engineer is here. He is aware that the case is here. Now, this is a case for quashing.
Because you have wasted 1, 2, 3, 4, and there is an interim order operating.
No, my lord, I am not praying for an adjournment. I am placing the case, my lord.
Yes, tell me what is.
My lord, your lordship will kindly find, may I just draw your lordship kind attention to the list of dates and events at appendix 2. Now, there are two cases. Let me just clarify. Initially, an application was filed for quashing of the proceeding, FIR itself, on the ground that no case is made out, and I will demonstrate from record that no case is prima facie made out vis-a-vis the judgments of reasonable court and honorable appellate court recent judgment. But there was absolutely nothing to abate suicide so as to warrant action in terms of 306 of the IPC before I place the factual backdrop of the case. Now, this criminal miscase 17353 of 2021 was filed for quashing of FIR. Post facto, the charge sheet cognizance having taken this criminal miscase number 385 of 2023 has been filed.
Earlier you filed for quashing of FIR.
Now, the quashing of cognizance.
Charge sheet.
So there-
Charge sheet. Cognizance.
Charge sheet cognizance, my lord, has been taken.
Cognizance is taken.
So therefore, this will have precedence and rightly this has been listed as the lead case. Now, my lord, so far as this case is concerned, may I just draw your lordship's kind attention to appendix 2.
Appendix 2.
My lord, it is only of 1.5 page. I may be permitted to place it, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
My 12/9/2019, petitioner and his parents met deceased and her parents in connection with a marriage proposal. 2020, deceased had got engaged to someone else, which was also called up by the deceased for reasons known to the petitioner, not known to the petitioner.
May I
During this
interrupt for a
first
moment?
proposal,
My lord,
the
may I interrupt for a
second,
moment? Is it from the petition or some reading something else?
No, from petitioner.
No, it is
List of dates.
list of dates from.
List of dates.
my lord, first the proposal with the petitioner.
Yeah, proceed 21.
Post facto that, my lord, there was a proposal with another person that was called off. April 2021, deceased father came to the petitioner's house, met his
Engagement
parents.
took place July 21.
Ma'am, may I just,
Bangalore,
this is a very
petition.
small date chart, my lord. I was just placing it, my lord, the sequences.
Hmm.
But in essence is this, but instead of placing the dates, let me just point out, there was a marriage proposal. It could not be materialized. Then post facto that, the deceased had a proposal with another person that was also called off. Now this previous proposal was again revived. All along, your lordship will see from the record, the petitioner was never interested. He was never cooperative with the proposal, and he was never inclined to have that proposal materialized. It appears that maybe because of the parents or some other reason, he was just going in the same line. That will be evident from the materials on record. I will demonstrate from the record. Now, ultimately, your lordship will see on the previous night of the deceased committing suicide, they said this petitioner had a talk with the deceased.
Which is that date?
Opponent did a proceeding, 1cc case. Thereafter, when I instituted a restitution proceeding, after the restitution proceeding was won by me, again 20 days after she has filed a FIR. This is the case. Your lordship on the last occasion has directed me to appear before this the learned JMFC there and to appear. And on that day, the order sheet I am placing that complainant is absent, no step filed on behalf of our counsels. Accused, namely Paresh Kumar Das, is present and files Hajira through his learned defense counsel. Police report not yet been received, put on 16/24 for awaiting report. All I mean to submit before your lordship is that, your lordship, I am already facing a trial by virtue of a 1cc complaint case, and this complaint case is referred to the police station for registration of affair. And till now, nothing has been done, and this case is continuing, 1cc case. I am facing trial in this 1cc case. After I won the restitution proceeding, just to harass me, I am a school teacher, she has filed a FIR before the concerned police station, and I have been entangled again with the GR case. So my humble prayer that let the GR case be quashed, the FIR as well as the cognizance or report be quashed, and let me.
What are the allegations?
Your allegation therein that same allegation, Your Honor.
What is?
Your Lordship, I am reading the FIR first. Ambe Etalakarini Srimati Ranjulata, boys 38. Swami Paresh Kumar Das.
Opposite party in this case and filing is 63.
63 years. Yes, Mr. Mahapatra.
Please, your lordship. Lordship, I have filed this LMC minor.
Notice was issued. Yes, lordship. Getting notice, I appear before this person filed this. Okay.
Okay. Yes.
My lord, I have filed this for quashment of cognizance, my lord. Under section 420, 468, 294, 354, 506, 29, 29, and 120B of IPC.
Are you ready to?
My lord, I am ready.
Yes.
My lord, on the basis of a fake agreement, my lord, the complaint case has been registered before the Learned JMFC 2 Bhubaneswar, where the Learned Magistrate has taken cognizance of the issue under section 420, 468 and other offences, my lord, including 329.
No, I think I have issued notice only to see that whether any settlement could be possible.
My lord, the things is that this petitioner is a contractor and a land broker, your lordship. What happened? He has taken 22 lakhs rupees from the present complainant, that is opposite party, in order to give the housing board house. given by State Housing Board Corporation. After taking 22 lakhs rupees and executing a money receipt, he has not given the house. Rather, what he has done, he has made construction over the same building in order to violate the plan. Knowing all these things, he has objected that why you are constructing the house on my money, and also telling that you have to bring permission from the Housing Board Authority and sell it out to me. In order to, in such deceptions, he has handed over the original documents, that is sold it, vendors sold it, executed a money receipt, thereafter executed an agreement for sale, that if in case he failed to provide the permission from the Housing Board Authority within the 3 years, he has to pay the money as per the market interest, your losses. What happened? Thereafter, he did not obtain any permission. Then, in order to get back the money, the present petitioner, the opposite party, lodged an FIR before the court.
Then
Let me hear yours.
If there is an agreement, you should have filed a specific
Lordship, the present petition, opposite party has gone to the police station. He has dragged the matter to the police station. Police remain silent. He admitted that I have to pay the money within 6 months. Thereafter, it did not turn up. Not paid the money, not sell out the property. Thereafter, what happened, your lordships? Then what happened? Then he has filed another complaint case before this honorable court against the present opposite party. And a complaint case was filed with the final form. Police did not register the same. He has filed a complaint case under CRPC and directed the police to investigate the matter. So when the matter was subject in the PS, the present opposite party has called for your lordships. And President Opponent went there and showed all this money receipt, agreement, original land records. Everything was handed over to him. Thereafter, police looking all this money receipt, everything, your lordships. Police submitted the final form. Thereafter, what happened? Then another incident occurred on 24/12/2023, your lordships. On that day, he called for the present petition opposite party. You come with all original documents and take the money from me. What happened the moment he went there? They started on assaulting the present opposite party. The opposite party has come today. Here, lordship, what happened?
No exhibition.
The opposite party has obtained the loan, bank loan, your lordship. He's paying the EMI. 22 lakhs bank loan, State Bank of India. He's paying the EMI. And in that contest, he did not pay the money. Thereafter, he filed a case, a complaint case against him. That has been not registered. Police has been filed final form. Then thereafter, he assaulted the present petition opposite party, lordships. And opposite party being agreed upon that, he go to the police station. Police did not register the case. What happened then? When the process of inquiry has been conducted by the London court below, your lordship.
Okay, there is no question of settlement.
Lordship, let me 202 petition, 202 after getting process, when someone has been issued, each present petitioner and his wife came to the court that police is going and arrest me. But
One minute.
Kindly have a glance for the cancellation bail application.
It needs a hearing. No question of. There is no scope of settlement. Mr. Mahapatra, there is no scope of settlement because you have done so much.
Again, marile mor pilata nosto hoye jagya. Mor the male child was conceived with my home. After their being assaulted, my child has died. Kindly have a glance my annex of E and G, your lordship. I have committed everything, your lordship.
That all
E and G, have you filed any counter?
Yes, lordship. Today
have you supplied the copy?
Is not there.
You take the copy. He has filed counter. You prepare the case. He has made so many allegations and all counter allegations. Mr.
Copy with me,
Mr.
Pramanand
Das entered appearance and filed wakalatnama on behalf of opposite party number 2 and files the counter affidavit along with the documents. The copy of the counter affidavit be served on the petitioner and the counsel appearing for the state. We release the matter for hearing. We will give a date. hearing. There is no stay?
No. NBW in the meantime, police, court has already issued NBW.
Okay, I am not passing any.
ଆଜ୍ଞା sir. NBW ପାଇଁ ଆସିନି ଥରେ ପାସ୍ ହେଇଛି ଥରେ ତାଙ୍କର NBW ନା 438 cancel ହେଇଛି. Bail has been rejected.
Can I submit one thing, my lord?
64. Yes. May last occasion, my lord was pleased to issue notice to the opposite party number 2, my lord, which is a matter
Permitted to
amicably
submit
settled between the party.
Copy to the government. I mean permitted.
Yeah, you may give it to Mr. Maharaj is sitting here.
Yes, yes.
He'll take it.
Document may be noted.
I have recorded.
No, ये total copy. No, this is the first copy. No copy I have received. It's the first time I have received the copy.
I have counter. Yes. Counter along with 26 pages. Is there?
26 pages.
Otherwise, you have already learned things. You will start shouting in the same manner.
25 pages.
And you're holding the copy thereafter, he says that it's not there. And he's
So
taken the risk of giving it to me. I just saw that.
He wanted for time. That has not been allowed by the Mr. Mishra.
If you say I have personal difficulty, it will be urgent. Why to shout on all this?
Usual practice. Usual practice.
This is very bad.
Excellent.
This is you are disrespecting the institution where
Yes.
from you are getting everything.
Yes.
That is the way of talking. He's talking all of it.
And this is usually happening in all courts. And for your loss, you kind
And,
country.
somewhere you have to stop.
Yes. I'm sorry for that.
Anyway, what
This is happening in all courts.
Yes,
My lord.
this is the case. You have issued. We have issued. notice.
My lord, the informant victim, she has appeared through her advocate and this matter has been amicably settled. And
Where
I
are the
have,
parties that are there?
my lord, the the husband is now at Ladakh.
Of price cheat money circulation act, where the IO has not authorized to file the charge sheet under PML Act or
PML Act to IO.
So you also may dispose of by deleting PML Act.
price
So far the other offences are concerned, it will continue. Because the charge sheet has already been filed. A trial must have been commenced.
price cheats and money circulation act be IO is not
Under which provision?
under
There is a
section 7.
Only PML Act.
Let's check for price sheet. Kali, let it come in tomorrow.
Yes.
I will pass the order. He is rightly saying that insofar as these two provisions are concerned, IO had no power.
Yes.
Yes.
There is a bar,
Yes.
statutory
Yes.
bar. So that those things will go. And it will be registered or not registered, that is not their outlook.
Right.
And so tomorrow, huh?
Yes.
Keep it
Okay.
tomorrow. Yes.
66, my lord, the case and counter case, and that matter has been settled between the parties. The dispute between the two family, and both parties are at the direction, my lord. Both the informant are present before the
Informant
court.
and
Both the informant. He is the informant in one case, and he is the informant in another case, my lord.
cross case.
My lord, case and counter case. my
What
lord.
are the offences?
The offences, one case that is only 506, but in another case that is the PS case number 298. Sorry.
376.
370. That's not made out, my lord. I don't. I understand. 370 is not made out, my lord. I get the FIR copy. That is page 9, my lord. That is CR machine, my lord.
Where is Tuna Sethi?
Tuna City, not my lord. Is the informant is another.
Well, no, pity. Accused person has to be there.
Accused can they?
He is accused. He accused. Both are accused. Another.
Tuna?
And 376 what?
Tuna
Tuna
Sethi?
Sethi? Tuna Sethi, Manju Sethi.
Manju Sethi is present.
Tuna
Manju
Sethi
is there and Tulosi Behra is there.
This is there, my lord.
Where is Tuna Sethi?
Tuna Sethi
376 is there. Tuna Sethi has to be there.
Sir, देहाटी खराब as well.
देह खराब.
देह खराब ये 376 कैसे कौन खेला?
Made out.
Watching you will be jolly well sitting in the.
Enjoying the.
No.
And not the informant is here.
ऐसे Tuna.
You want intelligence. The accused is not there. This is, call them tomorrow.
तुम्हारा अस्परी हो? कल अस्परी हो? आपको डिस्पेंस कर दूं से कल ऐसे ही पर
Ready to ask for
376 is there.
I'll read the FIR, my lord.
There,
She is not-
camera has to be seen, so many things has to be
ନା
seen.
ନା ସେ ଆସିବେ ନା କଥାଟା ପ୍ରୋବ୍ଲେମ ହେଇଯିବ
କାଲି
ଆମେ
ଆସିପାରିବ
ଦେଖିବୁ ନା।
ତୁ ଆସି ନେଇକି ନା
କାଲି ନହେଲେ ଆଉ ମଣ୍ଡେ କରିଦବା।
ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ- ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ date କରିଦବ।
ମଣ୍ଡେକୁ ଆସିପାରିବ ସୋମବାର ଦିନ ଆସିପାରିବ
ମଣ୍ଡେ ଟ୍ୟୁଜଡେ କେବେ କରିଦବା?
ହଁ।
ଆପଣ କେବେ ଆସିପାରିବେ କହୁନାହାନ୍ତି?
ହଁ
କେବେ ଆସିବ କହୁନାହାନ୍ତି?
କେବେ ଆସିବ କୁହନ୍ତୁ
କେବେ ଆସିବ?
ସୋମବାର ମଙ୍ଗଳବାର କୋଉଦିନ କୁହନ୍ତୁ କମ୍ଫର୍ଟେବଲ ଅଫିସରେ ତୁ ନା ଆସିକି ନେଇକି ଆସିବେ ହଁ ହଁ she said the victim is the Tulsi Vela. The FIR my honor. Accused not only ହଁ accused not
ଆସିବେ ନା ଆଉ କଣ
FIR ପଢିଲେ
କୁହନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ
ଆସ ମଙ୍ଗଳବାର
କେବେ ଆସିପାରିବେ କୁହନ୍ତୁ?
କହୁନାହାନ୍ତି କେବେ ଆସିବେ?
ହଁ ମଙ୍ଗଳବାର ଆସିବେ
ମଙ୍ଗଳବାର ତ ଠିକ ଅଛି, ମଙ୍ଗଳବାର ଦିନ
Tuesday.
ତୁ ନା ଆସିକି ନେଇକି ଆସିବେ ହେଲା
ମଙ୍ଗଳବାର ପାଇଁ କରିଦବା।
ଆଜ୍ଞା
Yes, yes,
ମଙ୍ଗଳବାର।
ଗଞ୍ଜାମ
Why to take risk unnecessarily? In these kind of matters, you know.
ଏଇଟା 500 ହେଇଥିଲା ଆମ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ସାଙ୍ଗେ
ମାନେ ବାହାଘର
ହେଇଥିଲା
କେତେ-
376 ଆମେ
ମେଡା ହଉନି ଏଫଆଇଆର କରିଲେ ଏଫଆଇଆର କିଛି ଟେନସନ କୌଣସି ନାହିଁ କୌଣସି ପ୍ରକାର
Then
engage
we
ନାହିଁ
have to decide on merit. If you on the settlement ground,
ହଁ
then
ସେ
they have to-
ନା ନା ନାଇଁ ନାଇଁ
merit is something different.
ନା ନା ମଙ୍ଗଳବାର ଆସିବେ ଆଜ୍ଞା
Thank you. Thank you. Sorry for.
No, 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 sorry, no, sorry. That is the law. Legal bar ରହୁଛି
Unfortunate situation.